everybody on Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I actually got some sleep last night. Been doing a dry fast the last 2 days. Feel fantastic. Today is 26 Wednesday. Hard to imagine. Oh my goodness. I hope to goodness we have a great safe trip coming up. St. John, St. Thomas. How exciting. Not myself. Weekend. Now, why has this still not changed? Wow, I've changed everywhere I can in YouTube's all by myself. Weekends. Posty's touring. Can't wait for that. If you don't know who Post Malone is, do yourself a favor and look him up. He's amazing. Now, why? Huh. I don't understand. I've changed everything I can on YouTube to the right verbiage, and it still is not picking it up. Anyhow. All right, let's check and see what we see on. Oh, I've got to hit the playback. YouTube is my YouTube. There we go. About myself. The reason I'm showing you a 1 second trade, because I really never have ever called that, because it's kind of silly. But what the hell? Teamwork makes the dream, or I must have had some help. Morning, Pete. What's up, Pete? Be calling you later today, my friend. Good morning, Lord willing and all. Hopefully, I'll do the live, talk to Keith, and then call you. And then I got to get with my brother. Good morning, Mike Mahoyhan. Good morning, Daniel Ortiz. Good morning, Shiro. Is there anybody live on YouTube? Pete again. Brody the Builder. Nice. This is Kevin, not Greg, Brody, but that's okay. Finley here. What's up, Finley? I'll never remember that, by the way, but good luck. I can't remember. Everybody has their own names, and it's crazy. Good morning, Carpet Repair of Arizona. Not good answer, Brody. Good answer. Keep rewatching those videos until you learn. Good morning, Tank Dog. Good morning, Jones 808. Yeah, Pete, let's not ask that. He needs to be watching my videos, Pete. No offense on that one, my friend. Good morning, Mike Mahoney. That's okay. Thumbs up on YouTube, please. What's up, BCO? Good morning, Mike Moynihan, and thank you, Pete and Mike, for being on both. And I'm sure Garth Faulkner's on both also. Oh boy. Okay, let's see. Let's get things rolling. Evidently, I've been too lenient in the Discord lately. That's coming to a screeching halt. I can't believe someone asked a question in there. What went wrong? Lord. I really don't want to get into it. I'm not going to mention his name unless he speaks up on the live. Then I will mention his name. He's asked a couple of lazy questions. I'm going to probably shoot him a DM. He's got to be real careful the way he's wording things in a Discord. We don't go in there asking for generic answers. Oh, don't get me started. I'll get back to that later. Morning, Nathan. Yeah, Kevin's fine. Brody. It's a great morning. So let's get things rolling. Let me go ahead and speed up our process here just a little bit. I think this is about a 50, 60 pip trade, something like that. There we go. All called last night. Last thing I did was left you with this trade. Whether or not anyone was crazy enough to take it is beyond comprehension. That's it. Just wanted to show you that playback. Could have made money overnight. US 30 wouldn't recommend it. Definitely don't recommend taking a 1 second trade, but it was obvious what it was going to do. All done. Dream work makes the team work. Yeah, don't. Wow. Hi. Okay. Anywho. Now, dream work makes the team work. First things first, always thank God. We are the only trading system in the world that I'm aware of. I'm sure there's others, maybe. I have no idea. Never been told in the last year of saying this, since January anyways, not a year. I guess that's exaggerating, only been 6 months. 7 months, I guess. Anyway, United States of America has issued through the United States Patent and Trademark Office a register. This isn't applied for. This is an actual trademark for the system's name, the Safe Trade System, to me and my wife. And it protects all indicators ever made. Anyone tries to do anything funny, they will be sued. This is a class 41. Coaching in the field of stock market trading, coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. And it goes on to list a whole bunch of other cool shit. This is the lady who issued it, Catherine Fidel. And there it is. Again, this isn't applied for. We have it. What else do we have? An NDA. Actually, all my stuff's getting reviewed by another lawyer again. But we also have a legal disclaimer, which is also getting looked at. That's funny, too. I am not a financial advisor. Never pretend to be, never want to be, want nothing to do with that, ever. Once they start teaching the safety trade system in colleges and universities, then I can talk to people. Other than that, I will not be a part of a system that teaches falsehoods, inaccuracies, and basically the wrong things, let's be honest. No one associated with the channel is a financial advisor. I am a social media influencer. I have a cool YouTube store with amazing merchandise in there. The quality is off the chains. You guys are all adults. Make your own damn decisions. The only thing we trade is the green up arrow and red down arrow. If you understand that we are legally protected in every way humanly possible, and that we will sue you, and that we are not financial advisors, please type yes. Da, 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 da. I don't know why the sound on TikTok could be glitchy. Good morning, Martar. Da, 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 da. Thank you, Pete. Thank you, BCM. Thank you, Garth. All right. Nice. We'll make a whole bunch of call outs. Not right now, not this second. Is the weekend. I had to have some help. Teamwork makes the dream work. Had some help. Dream work makes the team work. Much better. I'm going to go ahead and answer an email question first. I had to have some help. No. Let's go. All right. The question in the email was from someone very nice. Kev, I know you were on the live just last night. And if you will, can you help me with the gold daily buy stop, please? This is when I get confused. I both gold off of the yellow line, and it did go up, but then it sold off. I don't understand. Okay, so let's go to gold. All right. So let's be clear. This is gold, right? This is gold. Daily. Let's go down to gold. Just remember what you're seeing. Gold daily. I'll even spread this out a little bit. Let's spread this out a little bit. Okay? Gold daily. Just so we're clear. What's up, Martar? Yes, sir. 10-minute signal. Correct. But let's be clear. This is what these candles, which you would call candles, look like. Price action looks like on the daily chart. Let's go down to the 15-minute. This is what they look like on the 15-minute. Let's go down to the 1-minute. This is what it looks like on 1 minute. So I didn't want to spread it out too much. Okay, let's go down to 15 seconds. While this looks like a huge drop, let's go back to the daily candle. Oh, but it's terrible. And it's dropping like a rock. And it's the lowest it's ever been. And what? So the first thing everyone has to realize is perspective. So let me be clear. What looks like a huge drop on maybe the 10-minute, maybe the 15-second, maybe the 30-second, maybe the 1 hour. What looks like a huge drop when you actually go to the daily and look, well, let me ask, is what you're seeing on the 10-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute, 3-minute, 1 minute, 30-second, 15-second, a huge drop? Yes or no? When you compare it to the daily. We're gonna need some help. Da, 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 da. It's tiny. Correct, Pete. No, says Nathan Hunter. Correct. Mike Mayan. No. What's up, De Chapman? Welcome to the channel. BCM. No. What's up, Dead Cool? Garth Faulkner says yes. Garth? Let me, let's go ahead and look. Let's zoom in a little bit for him. All right. So Garth, this, and I'm zooming in. This is what you're looking at, okay? We'll go down to the 10-minute. This is what it is from a 10-minute perspective, and that's not even all of it. This isn't the full thing, full drop. This is just the part I can show you because I zoomed out. Here's some more. So all of this right here, right? All of this right here, which was called out by the signal service, by the way, right here, good morning, Jan. There you go, Garth. Okay. And then if you see this, but if you go down to the microscopic level, if you go down to the 1 minute, right, you couldn't see. I'd have to shrink this in times a billion. And even this looks huge. This looks like, oh, end of the world. These 1 minutes are dropping. Holy crap. You go up to the daily, it's literally not a speck. If I zoom in like I was for the 1 minute, it's not even a speck. So even if I zoom out, it's nothing. It's not even as low as it was back here, right? Look to the left, bullshit. It's not. Oh, it went up for a little bit. Okay. How long do daily, here's a hint for you, buy stops take to develop, or sell stops? Here's one hint. It took 6 months for a daily in June of 2 years ago. I called gold to sell from I forgot what it was, 108 down to 76, I think it was. It took 6 months from June to December for oil to do that. And this gentleman's asking, super nice fella, can take weeks. It can take months. Let me be clear, Pete. A daily trade can take months, just like oil. So it went straight down. To me, he's using too large a volume, too large a lot size. He needs to pull back, not worry about it. Set your stop loss at the right areas, put your take profit. And if you did get more than a couple dollars profit, you should have took that and closed the trade. That's the third thing. So no, Chicken Little, the sky isn't falling when you see a huge drop on your 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 30 seconds. It's nothing in the daily scheme of things. And these trades take weeks/months to develop. And this isn't the first time it's happened. It's the second time it's happened. So let's just be clear on all fronts. So he should have 2 charts open. If he's trying to trade the daily, he should go to the weekly too. So let's look at our weekly. Nice, Mr. C. Congratulations, Mr. C. Yay. Mr. C's all done for the day. All right. So here we go. We are currently talking about gold and a gentleman's question of why he bought daily gold, and it went up a little bit, but then it went down. Okay. Well, if this nice gentleman is following the rules, if you're doing your 2-chart pattern, you have to do daily matched with weekly. Let's do it. If he's saying this is correct, price starts under, came back down, retraced number 1. Look where it's at right here. Is this close enough? To me it is, because I'm using a different EMA. But for your guys' rule, and what I said was, is this even close enough to where I'd like it to go? I hope gold drops down here in our channel like it did before, hooks, and then comes up. So if he wants to be conservative, play by the rules, right? The rules state it has to come down much, much closer to the yellow or green line, period. So that's the fourth thing. Number one, what he thought was a huge drop was 0. What he thought about making a trade the same day on a daily is insanity. It's 100% wrong. It'll take anywhere from days to weeks to months for this trade to develop. That's number two. He used too large of a lot size if he's that concerned with what he's doing. He didn't put his stop loss where he should, which would be the part to the left where I showed you where the pivot point was. What else did he do wrong? He doesn't have 2 charts open. You should always verify. Rules step 1, step 2. You look at 2 charts. Watch. Dream work makes the team work. Step 1 rule, you go to the 1 hour. In this case, you go to the daily. Step 2 is you either go down low or you go up high. In this case, you'd have to go up high because you're looking for a buy. So step 1 is look for the logo. Step 2 is look for the logo on the higher time frame. Now, if he's following the rules as written, this needs to drop down at least to the yellow line like it did here and like it did here. It has not done that. Oh, but your buy stop line is here. Yep, and we made shit tons of money. And as this drops, I'm going to move my buy line with it down and collect more money. If it continues to go up, I have no trouble with keeping it right where it is. Rule 7 allows us to move that. This right here will be a 12-hour buy, actually, right there. So I can keep going on and on and on about the gold, but the reality is he's playing in over his head on a symbol he doesn't understand, on a time frame he doesn't understand, and he needs to be using only demo money as told. If he follows the rules, he won't have a problem. Or here's a better idea. I have no idea if he has it or not. But if you follow the signal service, let's see. These are the faster time frames. Hold on. Dreamwork makes the team work. Oh, these will work. No, there you go. This is what the signal service was calling. You always take the very first one that happens in the group. Okay. And I'm going to go with this group. You can also look back here if you like. You can see this one. No, you wouldn't have taken the trade if you followed the rules, but you can also do an open order and you would have made from here to here. $6 an ounce on gold. All right, so here it is. This is your minute 30. Hold on, is this my hourly? Oh, this is a daily. The daily is accurate, but that's why, well, let's play this trade back. Watch. Hold on. Hold your horses. Where's my playback? Oh, there it is. Now, let's go back to here. Let's see what we shall see. If you do a daily market order right here, let's go forward and see if it'll pick it up. There we go. Oops, shit. Went too fast. Hold on. Dreamwork makes the team, or here we go. Oh. Well, fuck. All right. Sell. So this is all we're going to do. I might have to speed it up. This is your daily sell. I should pull that back further, huh? It's red. Okay, you can take market order. You're going to have a lot of drawdown if you did this. I wouldn't recommend doing this. I would then wait for the match on one of these to come forward. And that's the part where we got to speed up. There. Okay, so you make a little money, make a little money, make a little money. But I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. Now, I don't know where the first time this actually does it. Well, was it going to show it too? Fuck. I don't know if it's going to show the cell stops. I might have to. Hold on. Let me mark this again. Hold on. Let me mark the first time. Yeah, there it is. I'm going to mark. Well, hold on. I swear to God. I'm trying to help you guys. It's driving me nuts. Let's go down to anything below that. We can probably get that from a 15-minute. Yeah. All right. Let's see if we get this one to play back. It's kind of finicky with the playback. It's fine, but it's probably user error, I'm sure. It's going to be and no. See, it's still not calling it. Fuck. Hold on. Let's go down to the 5-minute. We're supposed to be at the 5-minute. I'm trying to avoid that. Gonna need some help. Na, 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 na. Oh, come on now. You're not even going to show here? This is where you're supposed to show. What the fuck? Okay, now TradingView is being real finicky. Son of a beeswax. How can it not? Let me see if I can go down to a 3-minute. I don't know. Da, 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 da. Sorry, guys. Playing around, having fun. Oh, come on. It's got to show them. What in the effing world is it doing? Okay, it's not showing any. Yet if we go off here, look at how many it shows. Wow, that's fucked up. Well, here we go. I'll just show you from the one I'll mark. I'll just do one trade. Okay, this is your hourly. Daily, it will show up. The first signal is showing off of that is going to be this orange line. I'll do a sell from that point forward. I don't know why it's not showing it this morning. The other morning, last few mornings, it's been doing fucking great. All right, what we're looking at is gold. The signal service called out a daily sell. It made a little money, went straight up after that. You have to eat that. And then it started to call out 10-minute, 5-minute, 30-minute sell stops. First one is here. Let's go ahead and play that back. So this is, should have moved that over a little. This is US 30, this is US 30. This is gold sell, which was the correct call for him to play. And then not only was it that, it was tons of trades in here. Absolutely tons of trades. That's why it's called a machine gun signal. So the very first time, see, look at this fucking shit. It's going down as you speak, by the way. All these are here, but yet it won't show it. Fucking weird is that? So yes, I won't say his name, super nice fella, but he made several errors, not the least of which would be follow the damn signal service. It tells you what to do and tells you correctly. Peter P says I took that too. Nice. The last time to start a huge move on gold, it needed from 20. Yeah, 6 years. That's funny. Good morning, Casey McMahon. What's up, Prodigy? And indicators. I don't know what TikTok blocks most messages when you start talking about specifics. You can get the indicators at my website, thesafetytrade.com. It's actually a whole system. All right, so I answered his question. Now let's go into the Discord, and this is more of a ripping one. This is more of a kiss me the fuck off first thing in the morning one. this person, which will remain nameless at this point, said, "What did I do wrong?" He literally came into the Discord and asked, "What did I do wrong?" Then he goes on to post a picture without showing the time of the trade, the symbol of the trade, and other indicators added to my system. Anybody want to push my buttons? Add fucking shitty ass fucking indicators, other indicators to my system, and I'll ban you for life. So since he's new and he doesn't understand that concept, I'm not going to take him out of the Discord. I'm not going to ban him for life from the Discord. The Discord is a privilege. You don't pay for the Discord. You don't pay for my lives. You don't pay for that. What you pay for is what you're looking at, and I'll show you exactly, unless you're buying the other things. You don't get this. You don't get that. What you get when you pay your $5.75 is this system right here. That's all you get. Let me turn this off too, because you do not get the signals. So let me be clear. If you think the Discord is yours, it fucking is not. Is that clear enough? If you come in the Discord and you post a question, "What did I do wrong?" and you did it in the trade recap picks, you posted it in the wrong area. If you need help, you go to the learning room. If you need help, you post two different time periods. If you're trading, I guess he was trading the 15-minute, he needs to post the 1 hour and the 15-minute charts, only using the safety trade indicators. This clown, who will remain nameless at this point, posted a picture with no symbol, no Forex time on it. Has to be the UTC Athens +3 time. And I'm being as nice as humanly possible. Then he asked in the wrong room, "What did I do wrong?" Wrong answer, bro. Wow. Pissed me. I woke up this morning after thanking God and doing all my stuff. Then I read that. I was like, what the fuck moron is this? Please do not ever post a picture with any other indicators. Ever. Do not combine the safety trade with any other indicators. That's a huge mistake. Sevens, if you guys understand that the system is standalone. You do not ever bastardize, or I'm trying to use a clean word, combine my system with any other pile of crap indicators out there. They don't work. You dare post that shit again in the Discord, you're banned for fucking life. I swear to God. People, what the fuck? Then you don't post it in the wrong room. Then you don't post one picture, you post two. Then you don't post without a symbol. Then you don't post without a Forex time. Then you don't post in the whiny manner. You explain by your rules what you did and why it failed. If you explain to the rules in your post, you'll see why you failed. Let me be clear. Good morning, Gladix. Sorry you're getting an earful. Good morning, DPFX. It's crazy to think. What's up, Erica? Good morning, Erica. That people are combining a system that doesn't miss unless God wants it to, or unless their emotions get the best of them, whatever the case is, with other indicators that are a pile of shit. Never, if you want to use Fibonacci retracement, do it. Don't buy my system. If you want to use volume VWAP, look to the left, ascending and descending wedges, naming of candle and candle patterns, do not buy my system. People are nutty. Yeah. Fibonacci and support and resistance zones are those are going to work. No, 99% of the time they fail. It's not me saying it. Google it. Remember some silly person, oh, Head and Shoulders works. And I did a deep dive on Head and Shoulders, did a video on it alone. Not only does it not work as supposedly it works 83% of the time, he's trying to say, nope, it actually loses, too subjective. There's nothing subjective about my system in the rules. That's how I'm able to make the signals. And that's why you see the signal lines that are never retraced. They're right there. They're called out in a Discord room that is unedited. And those signals stay. And they're right. Crazy. So let's go on. He said it was GU. He didn't say what time it was. And he said it was a 15-minute one. And he said, what did I do wrong? No, you tell us what you did wrong. Okay, so let's take a look. We're going to go to let's open up two charts. I think some of you get too comfortable. I try to use one because it gets a little bit iffy when you're dealing with TikTok, but that's okay. Here we go. This is, I'm assuming, I don't know where he's looking at, so let's go with probably, well, obviously it wasn't the first time for the hourly. Let's go back here. He would have made money, a shit ton of money. Obviously wasn't the second time at the hourly. He would have made a shit ton of money. I guess it was the third time he probably tried right here. Why did it go down? I'm assuming, I don't know if he was doing a buy, a sell, what the fuck he was doing. So let's take a look at it step by step, shall we? According to the rules. Da, 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 da. According to the rules, step one is you go to the 1 hour and you take a look. If the blue line's high, pink line's low, you look for a buy stop on a lower time frame. Okay? Don't forget for 1 second, the same exact setup is a sell stop at a higher time frame when this blue line is high. But at any rate, that's why you see it didn't move much on the way up. First time is the best according to the rules. Pop, up she goes. By the way, this isn't even a buy stop, but whatever. We take it, up she goes. Okay, you take the second time, up she goes. Third time, nothing. It goes straight down. What is the best trade to take? The first time or what's the better trade to take? The first time or the third time? I'll wait. What's up, Ladex? Good morning, Tony. Correct. So go ahead. You can take the third time, ignore the first time, the second time, and take the third time. Okay? But let's see if he should have taken the trade. So let's assume he was back here somewhere. Let's move in a little bit. We're on the hourly. All right. So after the hourly, did it go down? And let me be clear of the rules here. Did it go down? This is after, you can't count this one because this is still our second time. So this will be the third time from this point forward. Did it go below the yellow line or at least to it? Make a semicircle and hook back up. Did it do that on the hourly? Yes or no? Lazy ass. If he'd have followed his own rules, he'd have got his own answer. Can't even follow simple rules. Wow. No. Correct, Jan. No, says BCM. Correct. So how do you have the logo if it isn't even low enough? He could have put it right here, right, on the 1 hour and did it. Sure, by all means, do that. Let's go ahead and take a look then. Did it form an upward logo here? Because he's trading the 15-minute. I hope I can move this over enough so to show you. All right. This is our logo. Let's take a look. For the up logo would be here. Let's take a look at this. Low, startup. Oh, shit. Sorry. Let's take a look. Just follow the rules. Just following along. You guys do anything you want. I have rules for a reason. Starts below, comes over, retrace first time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time, seventh time. And at this point, it's no longer above and to the left. That is so important of a rule, it has its own thing. So let's go over here. You can clearly see all of these trades are to the left and down, to the left and down, to the left. Oh, it's looking a little bit odd. Let me move this out of the way. Hold on. Dream work makes the team work. All right, now, still not really out of the way, but whatever. All right, so this is the 15-minute, which is what he was trading on. All of these are clearly to the left. I know, right, Gladex? Good morning, Greg. Good morning, Banner Video. You got me in a mood this morning. Not you, but two questions. Well, the one question was fair. The second question. Morning, Greg. Thanks for being on both. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Thanks for being on both TikTok and YouTube. As you come over to here, you can clearly see this is no longer to the left. If you can't see that this is flattened out on the top, you can't see your EMAs are crossing. If you can't see that this is no longer to the left, like Gladex said, it's so obvious. It actually formed an M form too. Okay? And down. So this right here alone would disqualify anything. The hourly didn't it form and come back and hook over. The 15-minute was on its 7th time. It never formed under to the left. Look, like these did. Again, this is its own rule. This is so important and will stop 50% of your own mistakes. Right here. Anyone that's just scamming, use this rule to save yourself the headaches that he ran into. For buy stops, look for price to be on the left and on top of your indicators. For sell stops, to the left and under. Obviously, he's no longer to the left and up, and it's not there. Okay? Buy stop, and then look. In order for it to be a buy stop on the 15-minute, you have to have the sniper. Now look at the sniper. When the blue line's high, pink line low, this is a buy. See them all? The sniper's smarter than he is. Look, then you have this mess. Blue line low, pink line high, that's a sell, that's a mess, that's a sell, this is a sell. Just a messy mess over here. Okay? So how can you, when the time period where you took the trade, it was a mess. There's no, if he's saying he took it here, there's no other word for it other than the 15-minute blue line was low, the pink line was high, and it was a sell. This part in here is a transition. You wouldn't play anything there. This is your buys. So if you can't read a chart showing to the left, then what you can do is read the sniper. Buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop, buys. All the times I said it, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I counted to 7. Oh, I counted these over here to give them the benefit of the doubt. So when the sniper, blue line is low, which is when he was playing it right here, and the pink was high, that is a sell. And the sniper overrules everything. You can clearly see you're on your, I don't even know time, hourly was a third. 1, 2, 3, yeah, third, sorry. Third time, it never came over, never did his half moon, never came up. Come over to the actual time period he was trading, it was a sniper sell, period. You can clearly see it flattened at the top. It wasn't to the left. How many more things do I have to point out that he did wrong? Now, if he wasn't such a lazy, silly person who will remain nameless at this time for now. Good morning, Jay Parker. I would wait for all signs, Damien, but it's not necessary. I would trust the sniper. It is. The technicality here is he was misreading the whole thing. You can wait for perfect or not. That's up to you. You can wait for perfect or not. Hold on. Let me back out of this one. Or this is ours. Hold on. Let's run ourselves. Da, 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 da. Dream work. Dream work's what makes the team work. Da, 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 da. Na, 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 na. Hold on. Teamwork makes the dream work. Here we go. So since he's trading the 15-minute, dream work makes the team work. Na, 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 na. This is his 15-minute chart with the signals turned on to the 15-minute area. There is no buys or sells because it's waiting for a better trade. So he's not as smart as the sniper. He's not as smart as the signals. All he has to do is subscribe to the sniper to get it. All he has to do is subscribe to the signals to get it. That's all I can tell you. He doesn't do that. I don't understand. And above it, yeah, correct, Jan. Good morning, Matt Parker. Good morning, Jason Roby. Sniper does make the dream work. So does everybody see? He posted it in the wrong room. He posted it with the wrong attitude. He posted it without explaining the rules. He posted without explaining the symbol. He posted without explaining the time of the trade. He didn't follow any of the rules. He didn't follow the sniper. He sure as fuck didn't follow the signals. So tell me, why did the trade go wrong? Because you're a silly person who's too fucking lazy. And I can tell by your other posts in the Discord. I'm about to take him out for a week or two. You can't be lazy. He posted other things in the Discord also. He's at the very limit of my patience. If you come into the Discord like Bob or like the Parker brothers or like anyone out there, Pete, anyone that's out there, and you come, oh, this is how I can help. This is what I do. Oh, do I need help? I go to the learning room. I say, hey, I follow this rule, this rule, this rule. I don't understand why it turned against me. Can someone explain? Abso-fucking-lutely, I'll help you out all day, every day, times a million. You go into the Discord and you whine like a baby in the wrong room. You don't bother to read the rules. You don't bother to apply the rules. And you ask what went wrong with the trade. How the fuck did you even make the trade? How about that? Wow. Combining other indicators with this system. That's the fucking biggest slap across the face. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, he's walking on thin ice, and he knows who he is. Again, I won't mention his name at this point. Fucking crazy ass. All right, silly people are silly people, but calm the fuck on. So, where's he at? Wow. Watch the live I'm doing now. Fucking crazy ass people in this world combining my system with some other shitty ass fucking indicators. Carpet Arizona. You might have to change the name like Anthony. I'm not going to list the carpet repair, although I should. If you have balls enough to go in there and act like a silly person, you have balls enough to get what's coming to you. Look like now he's back to the 1 minute, says Jan. Okay. All right. Enough of this shit. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, peeps. Let's take a look. Dreamwork makes the team. Good morning, Kev. Great day to everyone. Nice. Hope you had a good workout, Adam. What'd you train? Today is Wednesday. Historically, this should be a leg day. Chest and back are Mondays, according to the 3 gyms I owned for 15 years. Chest and back are Mondays, or some version of chest. Tuesdays, well, it depends what type of workout. If he's training for power, if he's training for bodybuilding. I would be doing arms. So Tuesday would be arms, Wednesday would be legs, Thursday shoulders. But you can differentiate between Wednesday and Thursday. You can back and forth those. But back in the day, yeah, I had more of a power split. I lifted about once every 6th day, the same body part. Let it rest for 6 days. I might know a thing or two about lifting a little bit. I've been lifting since I was in the 6th grade, summer of 6th grade to 7th grade. I have the state of Georgia bench press record raw, still to this day in the Masters. I had it in the general, but I just don't bother. I don't care. And then at one time, I was second bench in the nation. There's only one other person benching more than me at the age group I was in. And that's I didn't really try. I don't take any creatine or any kind of bodybuilding supplements or weightlifting supplements at all. At the time, I was taking no supplements at all. Absolutely zero steroid use ever. Never would touch that shit for $1 million. So yeah. Anywho, love lifting. Look how easy it was to distract me to it. I love lifting weights. Oh my God. And as important lifting weights is to me now, Wim Hof breathing technique is even more important. I'll miss the day of lifting. I won't miss the day of breathing. Matter of fact, I'm walking, doing EWOT therapy right now with oxygen. I'm doing steady state, walking about 3.5 kmh, kilometers per hour. And I do that for about an hour. I used to do it for 4 hours. That's a little bit much. I'm doing a dry fast. Really don't feel like doing it for more than what I actually am going to stop right now. What is your personal record on bench press? 455 at a body weight of about 215, 210, 455 pounds on flat bench, 470 pounds on decline. Unassisted, raw, no wraps. I do use wrist wraps only. I don't use any shirts. Nothing like that. That's a bunch of bullshit when you start throwing on those fucking shirts. What a joke. Everyone should learn how to trade the right way, and they're still coming. I know, right? Gladys drives me nuts. Carter Day, I played basketball with a group of guys a few times. Awesome, Adam. Fucking awesome. Although back in the day, I wouldn't do cardio if you paid me $1 million, but I got up real heavy. The funniest thing was I wasn't the strongest when I was my heaviest. That's kind of unusual. Whew, okay, that was nice. All right. What's up, Chris Phillips? Welcome. I feel bad for Chris, kind of ripping in a couple people. Yes, I still hold one record for lifting, for bench press. Holy, that's insane, actually. Yeah, I was in high school, 9th grade, benching 305 for sets of three sets of three in 9th grade. 305 bench, which I was impressed with. But then I worked my way up. The most I ever did for reps was 405 for 5. I don't know if you guys remember P90X. I would do the P90X yoga, full weighted vest. I think it was 30 pounds or 50 pounds with full ankle weights. They were like 10 pounds each, and leg weights. And if you ever did P90X yoga, well, it sounds silly. That motherfucking yoga is like one big push-up for an hour and a half. And I was I love that little thing too. That was pretty impressive for me. I don't know. I love lifting. That's all I can tell you. Squat, no. Most I ever squatted was, I think, maybe like 365, maybe. Deadlifting, I did 455 because some idiot at the gym asked me to. If you can lift that up, I'll go flip this tire. We had a huge tire. It was like 750 pounds or something like that. And I said, okay. So I do it for a couple reps. And he goes, Landon was his name. He backs out and goes, no, I'm not going to go. That tire will kill you. I was like, Landon, come on, bro. So anywho, yeah, so deadlift wasn't my thing. Squats were absolutely not my thing. Tricep, me and Chris Smith, one of my dear friends still to this day, super strong. I remember this day when he beat me when I was 40 at bench. It was quite, because I obviously was pretty strong at the gym, and then for Chris to come up, I was training him, and for him to finally beat me was crazy. He's about 15, 16, 17 years younger, and then he finally took me out when I hit 50. I got 405 on incline, 400 on incline when I turned 40, not 50. When I turned 40, I got 400 on incline bench press. I got 425 or something on flat. And I got like 435, 440, something. I don't remember the details when I was doing decline. Because I was 40 and I got all 400s. Now he's almost 40. Jesus, that's crazy. Oh, well. Yeah, Chris is a great man. He's got abs at 300. So I trained him pretty good, I guess. Yeah, I knew him since he was 15 years old. 2/2/1985 is his birthday. Yeah, it's a good man, great man. I don't have a lot of friends, but he's a friend I've had for 20 plus years. Mike Galinsky, I've had a friend for 40 plus years. And I consider Keith Palmer a friend right up there with those guys. John Verley, 30 plus years as a friend. I don't have a lot of friends, but the friends I have are, that I allow to be a friend is lifelong. I'm very picky. Most people are there to try to use you. They're not your friend. I had 3 gyms at one time. 3 gyms, 24. We were the Planet Fitness before Planet Fitness. We used to charge $99, 2 for 1 for the year. We had thousands of members. We had 3 gyms going, and I had tons of people. Everybody wanted to talk to me. Everybody wanted to be my friend. And then self-made millionaire by the age of 40. No, my family was not rich. We were poor, actually. We had a very nice neighborhood, and we had the smallest house in that neighborhood. We had the smallest, babiest house. It was 1,200 square feet. I couldn't imagine it. I have rental properties double that size. But mom and dad did the best they could. Just wrote about my mom. I'm doing a story thing for my oldest daughter. And they were the greatest parents ever. My mom especially, just fantastic. I was a mama's boy. And we grew up there. And grew up poor. Worked my ass off, opened the first gym up, made it successful. Opened the second gym up, made it successful. Opened the third gym up, made it super successful. And then because that third gym for the first several months was built in a city where there was 1,000 other, we had chiropractors and medical doctors also in our offices. We couldn't get the chiro and medical to pay for itself. And I was like, fuck. So anywho, I went from being a self-made millionaire by the age of 40. 3 years later, had to lose everything, basically. And then now I restarted again several years ago. Oh, my goodness. I would imagine we're at pushing now 7 years now of being financially independent, going and doing anything I want to do, anywhere I want to. And let me tell you, owning the safety trade versus owning my gyms is night and day. I used to have 40, 50, 60 employees at one time, maybe more. I used to have doctors work for me, PTs work for me, massage therapists work for me, used to have chiropractors work for me. And then I'd have to pay rent at 3 places, insurance at 3 places, utilities at 3 places. Being online, I dwarfed the amount of money I used to make with 3 gyms, and I have 0 or 1% of the headaches. That's why Bree's so fantastic, my wife, because she handles all the bullshit of dealing with all of your silly emails, all of your silly questions, all of your stuff that you should be Googling. She'll still be nice enough to answer you, because if she didn't do that and I had to do that, we'd be already a closed group and we'd be done, and I wouldn't be dealing with any of you. I'm going to put it that way. Would not. No, not any of you. I shouldn't say that. Most of you, let's be clear, 90% of you are very good people. 90% of you are very nice, very good, kind, smart, you're in it for the right reasons, people. But there's that select few. And I used to have to suck up at the gym business when I had the gyms that suck up. Not a lot, but I had to suck up a little when I owned the gyms. Meaning, you know what I mean. When you work retail, or if you work restaurant, or if you work anything to dealing with the public, you have to suck up. Even though they're wrong, you still have to go, it's not too bad, and your gym membership is this and that. You know how much sucking up I have to do when I have my own business online? 0. If I don't like somebody, fuck them. If I don't like you, you're gone. I have to do 0 sucking up. You know how much freeing that is? Everyone that's ever worked retail, whether you were a McDonald's worker when you were a child or a teenager, you know what I'm talking about. It's a living hell having to suck up to people. And, it's okay that you ordered a chicken sandwich and stuff. I used to do restaurant management at one time, way back when. I used to do insurance. Oh, my goodness. Yeah. So with online business, no overhead, 0 employees. Well, we have 1 independent contractor. She helps us out from time to time. It's the greatest thing ever. Get to deal with people like you guys for the 95% of you who are super nice, super kind, super smart. It's a different feel. So yeah, I would say owning this versus the gyms is night and day. I'll never go back to what's called brick and mortar again. Never. I'll just retire and trade and stay by myself with my wife, my kids, my brother, my mother-in-law. Mother, I call her my mother because my mom's passed. That's all. I don't need any of this. I don't need to be here doing these lives with you guys. I think some of you are really confused on that point. I miss lots of trades because I'm helping you guys trade through. That's why you'll see me skip a day here or there, and then I'll just take a day off a week or every 2 weeks, and I'll trade. And I'll trade hard. I don't have to be here doing any of this. Anyhow, if you're new to trading, how do you choose? You can trade any 1,000 different stocks, Chris Phillips. Yeah, correct. What's up, Ori? What's up, Raider Trader? P90X killed me. Yeah, it was a little challenging. No, there's gentlemen. No, there's. I think that's incorrect, Jan. There's gentlemen that I think did 803 or 813 pounds, something like that. Yeah, no, 800 pounds. Anything over. I did a 500. It was called a negative, a 500-pound negative. It almost blew out my shoulder, and that's when I was benching 455. So yeah, 455 pounds is pretty strong, but anyone that's benching 500 is insane strength. Insane. Damien felt that come from his soul. Yeah. What's up, smoking behind? Yes, God is great. God bless you too. That's how I felt when I was in real estate. Way too emotional. Trading will take or happen. Yeah. You'll be much happier trading, Andrew. Yes, you missed NAS. I'll get back to it. Yes, and I sold a bunch of my rentals, pain in the ass, even with the manager. I know, Peter P. It is. I appreciate. Thanks, carpet repair. Yeah, sorry, I didn't mean to get into all that spiel, but it is what it is. All started because of my love of lifting. All right, so let's go ahead and read some out. Gold. G. And this is the same person, who did a buy during this period of time. Red means down in this particular our indicator right here. This is red. Everything's red, and he did a buy. Not a 15-minute gold. Oh, bougie from bougie. I'm a little concerned of why this call to sell here, though, on the 1 hour. Oh, because this is a daily. This is a daily. I'm sorry. That's why. Let's rip someone new tomorrow. I kind of like it. Oh, you'd have loved me back in the day. Ask Steve. What's up, RD Hot C5? What's up, Steve? Ask that person on TikTok how I used to be when we first started. I'd be ripping people so many times. TikTok banned me in a day, like from 3 different accounts in one day. Look at the difference here, by the way. You can clearly see these were sells. It wasn't called. I love your humor. Yeah, you're the best. Thanks, Gladex. See all this, and you don't have to pay me for the humor part. Look, this was sells, but it didn't call it. These were sells, and it called it here. You see how smart the signal service is? This is your daily one. This is gold now. It's actually too late. I'm not going to really call anything on gold for you unless I go down to seconds. Look. Good morning, Brian Claus. I heard join because I heard you going off the things. Yeah, Peter P. I remember when you remember Doug. That was crazy. Kept our yeah. I'll give people a chance now before I ban them. Back then, boy, you pissed me off for anything. I would just block you and ban you. It was instantaneous. Oh well. So gold. This is no signals. This is the signals. Daily. Then it called out. You trade the very first one. Agree. I'm working on stepping away from property management now and dedicate to trade. There you go, Raider Trader. Hope you can do it, Ori. Good morning, boss. Good morning, Brian. Good morning, Estoni. Thank God is right. Thank you all for being here too. Okay, so look how accurate the signal service is. Look at it. Look at these sells it called on gold. Yet one of our members in the Discord took a buy. Well, I strongly suggest to that member to at least buy tier 1 of the signal service for $150 a month. You'll get up to 10 signals and follow the signals. They're smarter than you are. In other words, learn from these signals. You don't have to keep them. If you get the signals for a month or two and you do tier 3, $350 a month for unlimited, you get this put on your system, you'll see how it's calling them and why it's calling them. Remember, you can do a market order. You have a large drawdown on your daily right here. You wait for the first time one of these pops up. Normally, it'd be a 5, 10, or 15-minute normally, and you'll take that, and that is a sell. Now, I don't know why this isn't working on my playback, but nonetheless, that's how you do it. The very first signal, pop, and there it goes down. So you'd have made money from here, from about 23.34, wherever the hell it is now. You'd have made $30 an ounce on gold from that signal. You know how much $30 an ounce is? If you're doing futures like a professional trader, you'd be retired if you got $30 an ounce on gold. They're lucky if they pick up pennies on gold. They bet huge. They're basically gambling or just fixing the system. They'll bet huge. They'll say, hey, it's probably going to be a downward trend. I'm going to put fucking 1,000 ounces on gold, pop it in there, right? And then they get a fractional. It's called fractional trading. They'll get a fraction of a price movement, not even of a pip. They'll do a tick. A fractional of a tick movement, right? They say, hey, I made my money to get out. That's not trading. That's maybe at best educated gambling. Trading is what I'm teaching you. See how it calls all these correct? All of them. Just the difference. Good morning, 10 times trader. Look at 10 times trader actually wants to make money. I'm up 750 from the signals, and I don't normally trade gold. There you go, Larry Cooper. Where did he find a buy? I don't know, Larry. And then he had the nerve to come on the Discord and say, what did I do wrong? Dude, not even in the right room, not even asking it like, well, I follow this rule. I follow that rule. I follow this rule, and the trade went wrong. If you follow the rules, the trade wouldn't even have never made it on in there. You're right. I'm back. Great signals from last night on gold. Thank you. God, thank you, Kevin. Oh, nice, Adam. Congratulations, Adam. I don't know where he found a buy in this mess. He was on the 15-minute. He was on the 15-minute, and he had to be somewhere in here. He had to be somewhere right in here. Because if he was in the first one, he's a moron. I'm giving him the break that he's not a moron. So he had to be somewhere right around here. He didn't list the time. Oh, wait, he was in gold. Sorry, I don't want to. He's going to get mad at me. This is even worse. He was GU. Was he GU? I think he was GU. But even still, there was absolutely no buy stop right here for him to take. Zero. And this is where he was. I apologize. I don't want to accuse him of something he wasn't doing. He was silly enough to do the wrong thing. But on gold, yeah, you're right. I'm sorry. I was on the wrong symbol for him. And I went, oh, he told the wrong. Nope. You're still a moron for taking the one on USD, GBP USD. Completely wrong trade. All right, so we're in gold. Oh, fuck. Do I even want to do gold? Let's take a look. Gold. It is a daily sell. Gold. Weekly buy. And this is the one I'm sticking with. I love gold weekly, daily buy. Do I need gold to come down some more? Yes. Do I want it to? Nope. When this switches and starts to come up right here, when this starts to do this right here, we'll have so many buy signals fire off. Doot, 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 from 30-second to, to the hourly, you'll see these fire off. As it comes up, you'll see signals fire. Doot, 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 doot. Until then, don't take a trade. Another one of our members. Oh, that's why, because another one of our members was trading gold. Right. And did the wrong thing. Oh, my God. And he was doing a buy. So I am right. He was doing a buy. So you have to wait and be patient. This trade can take days to weeks to months for gold. So weekly, I'm sticking by my daily, weekly buy stop on gold. Let me switch that over to the left. Can I make this a different thing? Hold on. Top, middle, top. That won't matter. No, that doesn't matter. All right. So I'm not going to call anything else on gold, except I'm going to dip down here and see where we're at. Poor Jan's over there trying to help me. 10 minutes. Shit. Planny. So it's too late. Look, what should you guys play? Play any 15-second through 1 hour sell stop towards the 2 hour blue line, towards it. I'd say you're probably gonna get about halfway. Then look for the daily, weekly buy stop that I called out. Easy peasy. We were hoping gold to pull back. It has. US 30. Oh, this is what the person wanted to see. Okay, these were all green. Now these are red. So let's take a look at NAS 1 minute and see if it's going to go down to the red. Let's go to NAS real quick. Go to 1 minute. Yep. Ricochet. Play any 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, 30-second sell stop to the NAS blue line. It doesn't mean it's going to go straight down. What it means is this, I swear. People, you said it's going to... No. You're going to see it hook like this. Come over here and do that. That's what NAS is going to do. It's already touched the blue line. I would just close my trades if I was doing a sell right there. But if you're not, that's how you can play NAS. And you can play SPX and US 30 along with that. Speaking of which, let's take a look at US 30. Oh, fuck yeah. NAS, yeah. Yeah. I would play that. Let it come up some more. Let this pink line rise up. Look, how many times? This is what I did yesterday. Do you guys not remember this exact same fucking trade? Blue line low. We're on the 1 minute chart. Pink high. Sell, 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 sell. The best one was this one right here with the blue rise. Sell. And then it's going to do it again. You guys don't believe me? Let's go back. We're going to use just the sniper to make our trades. Watch this shit. Watch how fucking easy this is. Oh, I just want to know your call outs. Well, fuck you. How about that? I do what I want to do. Watch this thing right here. We're going to go forward with it. Trying to help you all learn how to make money, and all you want is to take my signals for free. Get the fuck out of here. Okay? So here it is rising up. Oop, nope. We have to go back one. Well, that's all right. We'll do our first sell right here. You can say, well, this is a buy stop. Sniper overrules. Blue line low. Pink line high. First time is the best time. That's right here. And yes, you can go to your 1 minute and combine this with your 1 hour if you want. Or you can go to your 1 minute and combine it with your 5 minute if you want. Either way, don't give a fuck. All right? And then we're going to watch this go. We're going to watch as this comes down, you'll see the money being made. Watch. And then it's going to come back up again. And it's going to come back up again. And normally you have to wait for it to cross right here. So I guess I'll wait. Let me just go forward one at a time. That's where I would do it right here. And I would do another sell like that. And just play it forward as it goes. Looking down, watch your money. Watch when this comes down again. Look at your money. Look at your money. Boom, stop. Okay. So there's your money again. Let me put one over here because I don't think some of you are seeing that. Watch. It's going to come up again. The pink will rise up again. Watch. Okay. Now the pink is up high again. This isn't over our line, though, so it's a little trickier for entry. I'd probably wait on that. If we can get it. Yeah, we can't get it to go over, so that's okay. Let's move this out of the way. Now you're about to see all these reds flip over here on your bullshit detector right here. This right here with the real direction bars, you'll start to see those come into play. Watch this. So fucking cool. See how the money went up again? Look. Pink line came down. There's your money again. Keep watching. Watch, this is going to come back up again. This is the power of the sniper. Nothing matches it. Nothing. Look, it come down again. You see how it came up here? You see, you're saying you can't get into these trades because they're above our EMAs. They're not above this other one, which you guys don't have, so I'm not counting that right now for you. Look at your money now. Look at it as it comes down. Look at your money now. Watch this come down. Good morning, Stefan. Okay. Here it goes again. It's down again. Watch it come back up again. Here we go. Sell stop again. You'd place right here. There. I would take this trade. Pop. There it goes down. See that immediate money? Look at your money again. Look at it. Watch it as it goes down. It's going to, now another one, another even better one at this point. You can do another sell if you'd like. I'm not going to, I've already got too many in there just even for fun. Look at it. Look at it. Now I have to do this. This is your first sell stop you have going towards the blue line 100%. Take a picture of this, everyone. This is what you should be trading right here. Blue line low, pink line high with the purple line high to be exact. Sell stop right here. This is what Damien was saying about everything matching up. It's perfect, and it's going towards the blue line. Whether it hits the 1 minute blue line for NAS is irrelevant. Absolutely, I would do a sell here. Hell, I'd probably do 10 sells right there, or at least 3. Demo money only. I'm not a financial advisor, but look at this shit. Watch this shit now. Watch. I love this playback. Watch. Watch your profit. Watch as the blue line. See the blue. Boom. Look at the pink line. Look at your money. Woo, baby. That was an easy trade right there. That was fucking money. Oops, hold on. Sorry. I want to do one by one so I don't miss anything. Down again. Watch. It's going to have to regroup. You're going to see pink line come back up again. Here it comes. It didn't go up all the way, so we can't take that trade. There it goes again. Look, that very first sign of the thing. Boom, baby. Sell, sell, sell. Fuck yeah, sell. To the blue line. Towards this blue line. They gave us a sell stop towards the blue line with the sniper. They're giving us with the blue line raised, which means if we go up to the higher time frame, this will not be raised. It'll be flat. Look at it. Look, watch this motherfucker make you some money. Watch this. Well, I guarantee you this motherfucker's popping. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Boom. These are the trades that make you rich, that make you be consistently profitable, whether it's demo money, real money, whatever you guys are playing around with. Leave me out of the real. I only do demo. Look, these are your trades. You take this to the blue line every time you see it, 1 minute, 3 minute, I don't care what fucking blue line you're going to, and you see this trade, you take this 10 times a day on demo, 300 times a day, every day of the week. Look at it. Sevens if you all understand this. Sevens if you understand the gorgeousness of what you're witnessing. Sevens if you think this is the most beautiful thing you've ever seen in your life. Look at this shit. Look at it. Fucking gorgeous. If you can't get excited about this, then you're not in the right business. Do not stay in trading. Look at this shit. Just perfect. Perfect trades. That's all I can tell you. Good morning, Bob. Absolutely. You should screenshot all that as I was going through it. Just perfection. It is so gorgeous. Such perfection. Do you need the sniper? No. Can you do it just with this? Yes. Does a sniper make it 1,000 times easier? 1,000,000 times easier? Yes. Do you need signals? No. Were the signals here? I don't know. I have to go look at NAS, see if they were or not. Nice. Yay, rated trade, right? With an aha, mind-blowing moment. Awesome. Now listen, guys, you combine that, what I just showed you, with this, where US 30 and SPX already did it, and then we see a actual live one doing it. Let's take a look. If it ever gives us that. Speaking of which, I just told you. Look, there it is. Play anything down to it. There it is going down. You would have made money here. Oh, it's not all the way up. You're right. It's not. Sometimes you get it up. Sometimes you don't. And I don't mean anything personal. That was funny. You'd have made money on US 32 and SPX. There you go. I mean, we can stay here and wait if you want to. Look at SPX got second place, by the way. Just waiting for this to get a little close. It doesn't matter. You would have already made money. Hell, I would wait until it does come back up, to be honest with you. Let's just say you got here off this one and you made it down here. You'd have made like 5 pips, 6 pips. Which is, if you made 4, 5, or 6 pips, the average professional trader makes 10 pips in multiple trades a day. They would give anything to be able to make 5 pips in one trade, anything. And they're only right 64% of the time. I think some of you are confused and hold professional traders in awe. We've had many a professional trader come by and mention things. I remember one time I had a trade and it was up like 2,000 pips. He said in his 10-year career as a professional trader, he never made 2,000 pips in 10 years. No, did he? Wow, this clicked. Yay, Brian. Oh my gosh. It clicked for Brian and it clicked for Ore. Yay, guys. This is fantastic. I love this playback feature. I'm telling you, it's going to help you guys out a ton. A ton. Now, let's see if we can find anybody. We cannot. This is forming a hourly buy stop. Let's see if we go back to here. Okay, now let's open up 2 charts. We're going to put the hourly on the left. We're going to go back to here. Maybe. Oh, what do I have over here? Oh, we have to go down to the, oh, you know what? Fuck. We're going to have to put the 3-minute. We'll go down to 5-minute here. And we're going to go to the hourly here. And then we're going to make sure. We're doing NAS right now, just playing around here. Okay. We're going to go here. And then we're going to see if any of these actually pop. Okay, I'm going to say no, but I'm on the wrong thing. I'm on my daily. You got to be on the right signal, freedom signal, in order to call out the right trades. Yeah, okay. So here we go. This is the hourly one for back here. So watch. Watch and be stunned amazed of what you're about to see. Okay. So this is our hourly. You can take, let's get clear here. Hold on. You can take, kind of gets covered up, doesn't it? You can take, when this turns to red, you could take the first signal at market order. You can, you're going to eat a lot. Or you can wait and take the very first time the 2 match. Those are called market order entries. Okay? You can take those. That's not a problem. After that, all these other signals you see, you have to follow. They're called rule entries. There's only 2 rules, but you have to follow the 2 rules. And you can take them if it qualifies for that. Okay? So let's take a look. I don't know if this is going to work on playback or not. Seems to be a little touchy this morning with the playback feature. Let's see. There it is. You can take this cell right here, pop. This is NAS we're dealing with 1 hour. So we took the NAS 1 hour. Okay, cell when it turns. And then we just go ahead and if it shows the other signals, awesome. If it doesn't, I'll have to mark them off by hand. This is the first hourly. This is NAS. This is the first time this hit, and it pops up this, and it goes to your Discord room. Oh, look at that fucking money. I don't know if it's going to call out. Damn. I don't think it's calling out these other trades, but I'll show you. Look at your money. Let me pause it for a second. And let me go over to here. And let's see here. I don't think I have. Shit. Hold on. I got to add the indicator. Let's see. Test daily, hourly, lower time frames. I think that's the one. I don't know. I got to get with Keith at this later this morning. Yeah. Okay. So it should have another signal here. It doesn't have any of these signals. I'll have to call these. See, we should have already been in that first one. Fuck. I don't know why it's doing that. It won't play it back with the signal. Sometimes it does. Sometimes it doesn't. That's all. You guys get the idea. Oh, here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. What are these? What are these? Oh, shit. Hold on. Yes. Missed it. Now they're popping up. What the fuck? Here's a 30-second, 3-minute, 1 minute. There's some more cells. Fuck, we could have caught that. Sorry. We could have caught those. And then boop, 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 and so on. You see it? You see how it rises? Watch. And then you come over to here. Watch what happens. All these little things that come up and down right here, right here, right there. It's just amazing. And there they go. And we can move this down to the 1 minute if you wanted to see how it pulls. Bobby Eaton says free. Yep. Agree with you, Bob. Good morning, Annie. This is a blast. All right. Let me close this out. So let's go back in the saddle again. I'm back in the saddle again. Let freedom ring. Da, 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 da. All right. So those are my calls for NAS and US 30. Short term. Oh, look. It did come down and touch it. Why didn't anyone say anything? Right here. Touchdown. Again. Oh, that wasn't me. That came out earlier. My bad. Sorry. Again, sell stop towards the blue line. It's going to go down and touch that. All right. If you don't want to play these 1 minute sells on NAS, SPX, and US 30, then, oops, all these came true, by the way. I'm going to go ahead and delete those. I'll write new ones out. All these came true, by the way. I'm going to go ahead and delete that one. Now, let's go right here. Sell stop again. It's going to go to that blue line, or at least come close to it again, and that's NAS. Let's go up to the higher time frames and take a look. NAS. All those cells are forming a 15-minute, forming a 30-minute, 1 hour, 1 hour buy stop. Oh, yeah, we're already in it. You already made your money. I forgot. Yeah, there's your 1 hour. Let me see something right here. Yeah, 1 hour buy stop. NAS 1 hour buy stop, 624. There it is. Told you from here. Oh, gosh. Even forget what I do next. Look at this shit. From here to here. You'd have made over 200 pips on NAS if you'd have listened to my buy stop on 624 and yesterday. I believe that was yesterday. Let's see what else we got going on. Daily. Yeah, it's still, I'd rather not. Weekly. All right, so I'd rather wait until this pink line comes all the way down right here. Like this. It needs to come down more. Hook more. I'd rather it come down before I take this trade. I know I'm already in one, but I'm in a long-term one anyways from 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. Back here where you guys all should have been. But yeah, so yeah, this is that one. That's what I'll wait on that. But at any rate, I do love the weekly buy. I don't love where the daily is. The daily has to hook and come down again. I'm not comfortable with it. I just showed you on a small scale. Well, look what the fuck this does on a large scale. When the blue line is high on the sniper, I don't give a fuck what anything else is doing. Nothing else matters. Let me be clear. A lot of you guys get confused. That doesn't matter. Price action doesn't matter. As long as this is happening on the daily / weekly, look at this as weekly. Only thing that matters is your sniper. Sniper, no sniping. Blue line high, pink line low. Watch what happens. I don't give 2 fucks of anything else. Just watch what happens with the sniper. Sniper, no sniping. Sniper, no sniping. All right, I've watched too much Dora in my life. Let's get rid of that. All right, let's take a look. All we're going to do is we're going to Watch this pink line right here come down while the blue line stays high. If you guys do this with either weekly or daily, holy Moses, you'll see. Watch it go. Watch it go. Okay. Now we're below our line right here. You could put a buy stop right here. I'm going to go ahead. I don't know if I can flip that one on. Do I have the weekly one here? I don't know. I don't know if it's going to show it. Let's see. Keith updated the code on this. Yeah, I would have taken the buy already, by the way. I'm going to go ahead and put in my buy. It should have already been in over here. I like when the spread happens like this for the first time. Pink line isn't really low enough. You can wait a little longer if you want. I'm just going to throw my buy in, though. I like it. I don't care if I eat some money there. All right. This is this. There it is. This is the first time you should do your buy. It did pop up. So this is your first time. You can do a weekly or you can wait for this daily to turn to green. I don't know if they're going to show a daily. So you might just take this weekly as it is and have to eat some money if you want. Look at the money you're eating. Obviously, it's too big. No one would ever play this account. Not even if I had $1 million in one of my trading accounts would I would trade like this. Look. Okay. And then all I'm doing, I don't give two fucks about anything else. Once this comes to the bottom like it is and it comes back up, once this pink line comes towards this blue line, the blue line stays straight across. The fucking money is going to go through the fucking roof. Just watch. I don't give two shits how long it takes. Just wait. And I'm just going to let it do its thing. Technically, when the purple comes down and crosses here, that's when your first entry should be. But I'm not going to get that detailed with you guys. There it is. Pause. Now you have your match. You have a DST, Daily Safety Trade 1. Now you have a match. Now you could enter in the trade. Boom. I'd enter in a shit ton. Because now you have the first time these two arrows match. That is a market order. You can no longer do market orders. If any other arrows pop up, you have to follow step 1 and step 2 rules. It's called a rules entry. These are a market order entry, but look how much you had to eat for a minute there. Now let's see what happens. Now watch what happens. Look at your money. Look at that perfect first call. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Pop, pop, pop. Whoa, baby. There it is. There it is. See the match? I'm telling you, the signals trade better than me because they're coded by Keith, obviously, great Keith Palmer, but the order of operations obviously is by me. The order of operations is exceptional. The logic behind the code is exceptional. You leave one in, let one run. Let's pause it for a second. Now, she said I can do this, so if this was a buy, I can do 1, 2. So I'm going to take out 2 of mine. I'm going to let one run. Okay, now watch what happens this time. You're going to see pink come down again. The blue will stay high. This will be week 2 when this comes up. You'll see a W2 right here. Watch. This is going to come down again. Pay attention to the money, by the way. Pay attention to the money. To the money. Cha, 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 cha. Pay attention to the money. Cha, 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 cha. This is why you let runners run. Look at it. It keeps going up even though it hit the top. It's called flatlining. It's pretty cool. But eventually you'll see the pink come down again. Look at the money. Look at it. Just doing it. This is live. This is a replay. Let me get rid of this little line if I can. Okay. Didn't quite do what I wanted, but we're close. All right, here it comes down again. Watch this. Pink and blue line will stay flat across. This will come down, and it's going to give us our second weekly come up right here. Sorry if this is boring any of you. I don't give a shit. I'm trying to help you all out and learn. Look, there it is. There it is. There it is. Popped up again. You can't do a market order here because this is a W2. This is the second time it did it. W2, you see it? Told you it was going to happen before it happened. Here it is. Now, again, you can do another market order buy with that. I would not. You have to follow the rules or wait for a W1, D1 to hit up. And then we'll see. I don't know if it will call it again or not. I don't know. Watch this right here. It's down low now. Watch it when it starts to come up. The purple line does come down. It'll cross. That is supposed to be your entry, but I don't teach that. It's too complicated. People can't even follow the basics of the system. Right here. Watch when the purple starts to hook up. Notice how many days it takes for it to do that. And then I'm going to teach you guys something that's going to blow your minds. Who's ever watching can be really grateful they're watching. See it go up. There you go. Pause. Now you have a W1, D1, but these aren't really. This is W2, D1. You see that? W2, D1. And then they match. So you can do a rules entry order, which I'm just going to do my order. Boop, like that. And then we're in. And then look at this shit. I mean, watch this as this goes up. Watch the money right here. Watch it. Do, 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 do. Do-da. Do-da. And then if I'm going to show you something that's going to blow all your minds, I usually reserve this just for people in my training classes. Look at the money go up. Oh, my do-da today. Oh, my do-da today. Oh, my do-da today. Purple lines going up. Money. Money. Purple line is going up. Day. There you go. Okay. So watch what I'm going to show you is something insane. Inside of every one of these, and we're going to go back to the first one because it's the best one. Inside of this movement up right here on the weekly, you're going to find so many buy stops on the 30 second, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. It's going to, so in other words, I opened up a trade on the weekly dailies because it was calling it. Listen to what I'm telling you. It's also calling buy stops all the way up on the 30 second, 1 minute. You can open up a trade on a 30 second chart. You can open up a buy stop on a 5 minute chart. What do you think makes up your daily and weeklies, but your 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour buys? You're like, what the fuck? Let me show you in real life what that looks like. Because I don't think some of you should be giving the mind blow analogy right now. You should be like, what the fuck? There's no way what he's saying could be accurate. Well, it is. Watch. So we're going to go back to here. We're going to go back to here. Now we're going to go down to the 3 minute. We're going to go down to the 30 second. We're going to go down over here and we're going to show you the, I don't know what, because I can't find it. Hold on. I'm going to show you the, no, this one maybe? Oh, I don't know. We'll try that one. And look what happens when you see this shit. So the whole time, you're already in one trade right here because the purple line coming up right here. So from this time forward, I don't even know if we can go back that far. Let's see. We cannot. Motherfuckers. Man, the limitations they put on you on TradingView is silly. They only let you go back so many bars, which is another. We can't even go back to the 1 minute charts. Really? Fucking cheating ass, bastard ass. Wow. Okay. I guess I can't go back to the first time because I can't even get a freaking signal to work because TradingView won't allow us to go back that far. Oh my, okay, forget it. Let me just see if I can get the fucking current one to go. All right, let's go to here. Okay, this is your weekly too. From this point forward, surely you can be able to go back to the 1 minute, right? Nope. Oh my God. The limitations of TradingView is insane. On MetaTrader 4, you can go back as far as you want. Well, if you have trading history on your charts, you can go back as far as you want. No, it doesn't. I already am. No, Matt, doesn't matter. 100% wrong. They only give you like 20,000 bars regardless of what you pay for. You're 100, no, nothing personal, Matt, but you're incorrect on that statement. Okay. Well, anywho, let's go ahead and take a look. You would have had a, well, let's go. Let's take a look and tell you. Why am I telling you what you would have had? I'll show you what you would have had. Okay. Wow, this is a bummer. I'm trying to show you guys some easy shit that's cooler than fucking they won't let me show you. All right, here we go. So the farthest we can go back for was the 5 minute, I believe. Oh shit, not this one. Damn, fucking shit. All right, it was the 5 minute. Point being here is you can literally open up trades anytime you, so here's a 5 minute buy stop. 1, 2, 3. These are just 5 minutes now. We're just going forward on the way up. You could open up 3 buys. Four 5 minute buys, 5 5 minute buys, 6 5 minute buys, 7 5 minute buys, 8 5 minute buys. Well, now it's starting to call them because our system only goes back 500 bars, I think it is. 3 minute buy, 1 minute buy, 3 minute buy. And this is, you don't understand what I'm showing you is crazy. This isn't even the first little blip. You're not even in a week yet. You can just do buy. There's another one right here. Buy, buy. You can do over and over again. Here's a 1 hour buy. Over and over again, another 5 minute buy. You can do, and then you can go to the 15 minute. You can go to the 10 minute. You can go to the 30 minute. Every time you see this, you can keep going up with your weekly, and it will trigger your buys on the 1 minute, 30 second, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 7 hour. There'll be all these buys calling as it goes up. Now this is a little sell right here. But once this hooks, right? Once that hooks and goes up, it's unstoppable. Absolutely unstoppable. This would be your first grouping of buys right there. So there you go. That's how the signals have a couple other orders operations, but that's what it does. Look at them all. Boop, 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 boop. Buy, 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 buy. Look at it. Well, it wasn't quite as impressive as I wanted, but it was still fun. Once you guys understand that this and this on the daily, weekly, or hourly control all the other time frames, the fucking world is your oyster. You'll see all this. You won't just get this one buy-in. You'll get a 12-hour, 4-hour, 2-hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute, 30 second, all of the buys as it comes up, you'll get them. So you won't be just one trade. You'll have 5 or 10 trades open on the way up. I used to do that. People are like, oh, you can't trade like that. It's like, yeah, whatever. Now it's back to its 1 minute. Oh, thank you, Jason. Hold on. All right. I hope. Oh, yeah, it did. I hope you guys all caught that. Oh, look at perfect sell. Sell stop to the 1 minute blue line. Did it touch? No. Is it close enough? Yeah. Close enough. Perfect trade, perfect raise up. Absolutely. Purple line already went down to it. You'd have entered your trade right here and traded it down to there. Gosh, we should have stayed there watching it rather than fuck around with what I was doing. But I'm just trying to help you all. Does that make sense to anybody? You can have your trades open inside of the weekly, daily, or the hourly. You can have your buy stops, yes or no. This is great info. Oh, great, Tony. Glad you like it. I'm afraid most people aren't. Is there any news this morning, by the way? I really think the playback is helping you guys a lot. I really do. Sevens, KC, Fly, Ryan. What's up, Ryan? KC, thanks for being on both TikTok and YouTube, KC. No news. Thanks, Jay Parker. Might go get a glass of water. What's up, D Nice? I hope you caught my earlier part of my live. Did you catch that, D Nice? It was very explanatory on gold. I hope D Nice caught that. I love D Nice. He's a super nice man. Go ahead and buy the system. Go over to safetytrade.com and buy the system. Look at it. Yes, sir, there's news. Oh, good morning, Kev. What's up, John C? There is news? Well, what news is there? If it's not CPI, NFP, or FOMC, I really don't give two fucks, to be honest with you. Look. D-Night says, no, sir, I love you too. Now, is that close enough for horseshoes and hand grenades? Yes, it is. Look at this trade. Happening before your buy the system. Look, touchdown. Woo, woo. Oh, now is it past the 1 minute fucking blue line? Bingo, boppo, bango. Who called it out for you? Who traded it out for you? Who drew it out for you? Who told you what was going to do? Who showed you the other two and said, oh, the third one, if it happens, is going to the blue line? Thank God for this system. Let's go ahead and play this one little trade back, shall we? Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Here it is. This is the system. This is how you trade. Screw everything else you thought you knew about trading. I'm telling you, it's fucking wrong. Don't believe me, Google it. I don't give a fuck. Don't Google it. Don't believe me. Leave this fucking live. I don't want you here. Watch it. You don't believe me? Believe your own fucking eyes. Watch. God almighty. Now, I would have taken this entry right there when it crossed, but we can wait. You should put your point of entry, the yellow line or the green line, preferably if it goes up over the green like it did here. That'd be awesome. Either or, doesn't matter. Okay, now I'm definitely taking this trade. Sell. I am 100%. I would wait for it to flip and come over, but I can't do that on the playback. Look. At one, I would do it again. I'd be like, all right, bitch asses. And you can wait for this to turn green. You can wait for the blue, the pink to rise and the blues to rise up. That's fine. Look, there it is. If you don't take this trade right here, put your sell stop right where this red line is, actually. I don't know if I can grab it. Let me see if I can go forward. You should put your sell stop line right here. Look, right here. Let me just draw it. Your sell stop line should be right here like that. That's your sell stop. Wait for the trade to come to you. I'm eating pips because I didn't want to miss in case it flipped. But if I can, I'm going to go ahead and move just one forward. Right there. Entry. I don't give two fucks. This is your entry. I don't give a fuck about 10 charts, 2 charts. Yes, you need to have the 1 minute and the 1 hour or the 1 minute and the 5 minute open. But this is your point of entry. If it ends up being wrong, I don't give a fuck. Same for over here. When this crossed the green and or the yellow, I would have waited for the green though right here. I'd have got in. Same for the one up here. If it goes up over that fucking green and we're looking at the first time, the best time, and we're looking at this exact setup, I'm taking the trade. Take a picture of this. This is your entry. You don't have to worry about any kind of 30-second, 5-second going flat. This is your fucking entry. Sevens if I'm clear. Absolutely, D-Nice. I understand. Yes, Mr. C's catching on. Mr. C's Naz needed to close the gap on a 3 minute. We didn't even go to the 3 minute. Touchdown, says Zero Choice. Correct. Bingo Boppo, great call. Thank you, Jay Parker. It's a system, but thank you. I'll take that for God. God gets all the credit. And there you go. All right, so let's take a look again. And watch. So I'm going to go ahead and pop another cell in there because I feel like it. All right, and we're going to go forward. Pop. There, okay. Now watch. There's your green. High. Take a picture. If you're not willing to pull the trigger on a 1 minute trade to the blue line when it looks like this, remember, this could be a 3 minute to the blue line trade and look like this. 5 minute, you can do a 4 minute if you want, 10 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour. When it looks like this, after it touched, ricochets and comes back up, dude, they're giving you guys free freaking money. Take this demo trade every time. Can I be any clearer to you? Holy crap. This is free money. It's red, green, red. You can't mess this up. When you guys are trying to trade the dailies and stuff, I know if it's a daily to the blue line, I take it. But just learn on a 15-minute, learn on the 5, learn on the 1 hour. Look at it. This trade to the blue line will beat every trader in the history of the world every time. I don't care who they are, including this one, by the way, too, the first time to it. This is the ricochet to it. Period. When the two, listen to me, when the 2 out of the 3 are already there, we already had it. This was already red. This was green, if you remember. When this is like that, and it's NAS, and SPX is already beyond it, US 30 is already beyond the 1 minute, and then we don't have, this is the fill in the gap Mr. C was talking about on a 3 minute, and it's going to go to the 5 minute. I already called that this morning when I first came on live. Just look at it. This is the trade. Look at it. Watch your money. Watch the live. Watch when this starts to come down and the blue comes down. Watch. I would fucking enter this trade again as soon as it moved over that again. Watch. See, but it's too late. That's what I was afraid it was going to do. Now you're hooked. And there it goes. Watch. Fuck yeah. And there it is. I mean, if you don't see this sell stop right here, I can't help you. I don't know what else to tell you. I can't help. That's it. That's all I can do. That's it. Look, there it is. And what Mr. C is talking about with the 3 minute, there's a 3 minute fill in the gap right here. See, this is what he's talking about, this thing right here. Had to fill in the gap. It did. Let me get rid of that one. Look at how awesome that was. Just look at your gap is right here between these two. Just fucking awesome. Now you're talking about a 1 minute trade. Is it going to keep? No, look, it's arching back up as you speak. But if you're not happy with making where I entered in from here, where it went all the way down to its lowest, if you don't take 25 pips out of this trade, then you're greedy and you're a pig and you deserve to be slaughtered. Now, yes, for people to understand what a sell stop is. If you don't, or if you're new, I will be glad to tell you what it is. Yes, if you understand what just happened right here, when we called it live from here, and here, this one was called live. Yes, if you understand it. No, if you don't. If you don't, I'll go over it with you. No problem. Even if you're experienced and you don't understand, I'll go over it with you. Good morning, Anthony Villavosa. Good afternoon. Or good morning. Good morning, Leon. Nice, $1,200. Nice, Leon. Yes. Does anybody... So there's... Oh, I want to keep looking for no's. If you're new and you don't understand it, you can speak up. I will show you again how easy it is. It's so easy. Green means up in our business. Red means down. This is the bullshit detector. This is someone trying to swim an ocean and stay above it. These 3 red lines are pulling you down, pushing you down, going towards the blue line. This is the blue line we're talking about. Pink comes down on the sniper. Blue comes down on the sniper, and there's your money. So they're all yeses. So everybody that's out there is a yes. Okay. All right. I'm going to let it go. I don't believe y'all, but I'm going to let it go. Does anybody have any questions? If you have a question, I'll wait. Please ask. Please ask. Now, if there is any news at 8:30, please don't play it. Lock in your profits. Don't do anything. I forgot, but my only trades I have open. Are all buys. Yeah. Okay. So no questions. All right. Nice. That was pretty to see this morning. Go to thesafetytrade.com and buy the system. And no, there isn't anything else but the system here because you can't buy the sniper without having the system. Capiche? So you can't buy the sniper without having the system. You can't buy the signals without having the system. The first thing you have to do is buy the system, safetytrade.com. Cool. Now let's take a look at something. No, can't be called yet. Let me see if we can get a sell. Yes, can be called. Let's take a look-see. 1 hour. Hold on. Nope, we don't want weekly, daily. Give me just 1 second here. Let's check something out. This one. No, this one. Yes, that is the correct one, right? Hourly, lower time frames. Daily, hourly. Yeah, it's this one. Okay. I'm going to turn that off then. Wait, hold on 1 more second. Hourly sell. Okay. All right. In order to call these trades, the only signal that went out would have been US 30 1 hour sell. We can go in our Discord rooms actually and check that out. We'll need to go to tier 3. We need to go to, is it hourly? 229. Whoo, mother. Well, I don't want to be viewing. How the heck do I get down? There we go. Oh, Lordy. US 30. Sell 1 minute. Oh, 1522. Oh, maybe because I'm not on the right thing. I could be on the wrong thing. Sorry. What is this? 1 hour? Let me go down to the 30 seconds and see what it pulls. Yeah, there we go. Okay, the first signal on here is the one we would run with. Here it is. This is your hourly sell. You'd had to eat a lot of pips on that, but it would have been correct. That's the problem with taking the first machine gun trade. We can watch it if you want. We can go back and do that. Or let me call some out. Because I know all you guys are sitting here waiting for calls, so that's why I keep you all captive. The sniper is the pink or purple, the better to entry. No, the sniper just sets up your entry. If that's what you're asking. It's the pink, by the way. It says it in the rules. Did you ask that question, LD? If you go to your rules right here. And it tells you to go to the 1 hour, that's basis. Sniper blue line high. Must. The pink sniper line will be at the bottom. So it's the pink sniper line. It doesn't have anything to do with the purple. Tank Dog likes the replay. Just joined. Have you looked at NAS already today? What's up, Jay? Yes. Yes. We just did NAS. Oh my gosh, I just missed all that. Once it's arched back up and about to curve, another sell stop can be played. Yes, you just follow the rules. First one, you're allowed to do market order. After that, you have to do rule order entry. Thank you, Martar. Good to have you back, Martar. Good morning, Jacob. Blue Tide Acrylics. You see how good looking your safety trade sign looks like on TikTok, Jacob? All right. Yeah, that's why the pink line is big and the purple line's tiny. Look. Now the problem comes in with US 30. It's already blown past its 30-second. It's already blown past its 1 minute. It's already blown past its 3 minute. It's already, so that's an issue with US 30. NAS, as we saw, literally, so, and it is a buy stop. That is a correct call, by the way. It's forming a 1 hour buy. We literally played this live down to the blue line right here. So this was your NAS. We called NAS. There it is. I would play any 15-second, 30-second. There, it just changed before your very eyes. Any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute sell stop. The NAS's 3 minute blue line, which is the first call I made, which was SPX NAS sell stops and US 30 sell stops to NAS's 5 minute blue line, or SPX's towards the 5 minute blue line. Yeah, I said purple, but I'm trying not to get down there, LD. Trust me, I regretted saying that. As soon as I said, I was like, oh, fuck, they're not ready for any of that shit. I refuse to get into too much. You guys can't even follow the basics. No offense to any of you. Can you look at EUR? Yeah, sure, EUR, AUD. Do I have it open? EUR, AUD, EUR, AUD, EUR, AUD. Yep, there it is. You're welcome, LD. And he wants me to look at EUR, AUD and do what? Daily sniper and 5 minute safety trade, where you don't combine the daily with the 5 minute. The hour, well, my bad. You can control the daily with the 5 minute, true. So let's go ahead and take a look. If we're looking at a daily, this is daily EUR, AUD. Well, clearly, well, let me show you so we don't have to really get into that. Let me turn on our weekly dailies. There we go. No, that is, hold on. Oh, we're on a weekly. Hold on, let me turn on the right one. Daily, hourly? No. Weekly, daily, but it's not weekly, daily, like he's saying. It's no, this one. Yes, this is the one. All right. Again, I have my 3 charts set up. You don't have to worry about doing that when you get yours. All right. Daily. All right. So the very first time the system caught it, it could have caught it here. It did not. It caught it right here. So this is the freedom indicator. It's made up of the pre-signal that sends out a signal to let you know there's other signals coming, and that is the machine gun. The Hydra signals 2.0 underneath here. This is all coded by the great Keith Palmer. So watch, this is how this looks, and we can do playback, absolutely. Let's take a look. So if we're doing just these, you could do a market order the first time this one first pops up, a D1 pops up. You can clearly see blue line low. Pink line high. Okay, so watch. This right here was the call, and this is why it called. On the way down, you're going to have several smaller, but this is the first time you should have took the trade. Now he's asking me about a time down here, and he's asking about a trade right here. Well, this is kind of silly because it's already, you should have took the trade here or here or here. 1, 2, or 3 times. 1, 2, or 3 times. Technically 4 if you count that one. So you should have already taken these trades. But assuming you're trying to do something I don't understand, is the signal service called out all these trades for you prior to what you're trying to trade now. This is why you say you're trading breadcrumbs. You're trading things that are just silly. You're trying to trade something as just, it is a, I would say, sell stop 15-second through 12-hour to the daily blue line, but it already came close enough, and these dailies are a little tricky. It's already complete. You should have been back here seeing that. Does everybody understand? Everybody understand what I'm saying? You should have took the trade here, here, or here, but to take a trade here is
silly. You shouldn't take it. It's down to the bottom. You just don't take that trade. You take these trades coming down, those trades coming down, and so on. Okay. Because you really, I mean, you can take a trade when it flatlines, but you really shouldn't take a trade when it flatlines. You better be following the damn rules if you're going to do that. Okay, so if you're asking me to trade daily sniper 5-minute safety trade, okay, so this is why you wouldn't take a 5-minute trade, because this, my friend, is made up of a whole bunch of smaller trades. Watch, let's go over here to the lower time frames. This is made up of shit tons of other trades. I'll just turn that one on. So now look, this right here. Oh, we're not even on all of them. I got to go down. Fuck. Well, let me mark this and we'll come back hopefully to this area. So yeah, let's go to the 4 hour and see what we pick up. There you go. See all of them? So from that time period that was called, look at all the other trades that you would have had. You only take the first one at market order. All the rest have to be followed up with rules order entry. Market order entry means you can take it as soon as the signal pops. Pop, pop. Okay. Now, if you want me to go down to the 5-minute, and if you want me to look over here at the 5-minute, well, now you're looking at a buy. This is a buy right here. You can clearly see this is a sniper buy. And now it's going to do it again, actually. Sniper buy. 5-minute buy stop towards ERUAD blue line. Now, while you're trying to combine the daily, which isn't called, by the way, there is no signal called. You must not have the signal service. There is no signal service, so there is no call. I wouldn't take the trade anyways. And then if you're actually looking at this has to come back up, the daily. So why would you possibly do a sell or something? I don't understand. So yeah, that's how I would look at it. I wouldn't make the 5-minute trade. You can't take the 5-minute trade. I called it, but you can't take it. I mean, why would you do this at this point? I wouldn't. Unless you're being greedy or trying to play the up. I mean, I guess, whatever. You want to do that. Okay. I think that addresses DPX. DPFX. Does that make sense to you, sir? Yes or no? Does that make sense to everybody? Yes or no? I really want to get some water. Second day, over 2 days, dry fast. No food, no water. I'm about to drink some Celtic. I'm going to put some Celtic sea salt on my tongue and drink some water. And then I'll do that for the next, I think I'm going to do that till Friday. And then when we're on vacation, look out, world. St. John, St. Thomas. Woo! Gorgeous. I've been 2 times before. Yes, sorry, my comments take about. I'm sorry, DPFX. That's funny. All right. Now, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys some call outs now. I feel kind of bad. I know 90% of you here are just for the call outs, which is quite pitiful if you ask me. But that's all right. Hopefully some of you are here to learn. I'm going to go ahead and say that sell stop on NAS to the blue line is still printing money for you guys. Stay in the trade as long as you look. By the way, look at this. It's calling out a 1 hour buy because, well, I called a 1 hour buy, and that is the correct call. How fucking smart are these signals? I'm telling you, I don't think I can defeat the signals, and I did the order of operations myself. So if you think there's some other, look at all these correct things. Look, green up, green and blue, because I have multiples up, red and orange down. First time you take the trade. First time the blue shows up, you take the trade. First time green shows up, take the trade. First time orange comes up, you take the trade. So this is a sell. Look at it. It peaked it and caught it on the way down. It peaked the bottom, caught it on the way up. Look at how fucking accurate. Look, sell, peaked it on the way down. Look, fucking nuts. Fucking nuts. This is fucking nuts. This is the craziest shit you've ever seen in your lives. Look at this. Wow. Now, of course, this is signals by paralysis at this point. By the way, again, I forgot who asked about the buy stop in that 15-minute, but they were looking for a buy in the middle of this. I don't want to get offensive to anyone, but that's just silly. That is just silliness. The signal service rules, I'm telling you right now, it does. Oh, blue line NAS. Thank you, Ore. Thank you, Raider Trader. Let's take a look. Oh, yes, I think that's close enough. Touchdown, or close enough. Horseshoes. There you go. Touchdown. Woo, Ore. As called out, well, by this. There's the 3-minute. I called to the 5-minute. I might not be right. It might not get all the way down there before it flips, but then again, I might. There you go. There you go, my friend. It's all because of this scanner. So easy to trade. Easy peasy. Look at it. Boom. Good job, Ore. Thank you, sir. I don't know if it's going to change yet. It's got to close below there. Look at that. Gorgeous trades. Here, let me turn all this shit off. Hold on. But, oh, my goodness. If that is not on the fucking line, I don't know what is. Perfection personified. Look at yourself. We're going to go over it. I'm going to open up both these things. Look. There it is. If it can hold for the next 30 seconds. Damn it, Kev. I said I was done and keep going off. I know, Miss C. Why not? Take that money while it's there. 5-minute 2, says Rich. Really? Oh, my goodness. Let's go over to our little panel here. Let's wait and see if these will close. We have about 30 seconds. These should turn to red. So everyone made money on my US 30 NAS and SPX call out. I said it multiple times at the beginning of the thing. I use the system to make the calls. I give God all the credit for it. I am a humble servant, a vessel for him to do what he wants to do. You're looking at a picture perfect to the blue line of the 5-minute and the 3-minute on both SPX and NAS. All of them went down as called. Everybody's in the money. Yay, thank God. Now, will this turn? I don't know. Maybe. It's got to stay below there for it to turn. Even though it touched it, and is below it. It has to stay below it. I don't know if it did. I don't think so. Damn, fuck. Oh, it should have. It should have. Come on, really? Really? Oh. Fine. We'll come back to it. All right, let's teach you how this happens. So I use the knowledge, 3-minute on the left. This is NAS. We'll do 30-second on the right. Watch what this looks like. We'll do this live replay so everyone can learn. So fucking cool. Okay. The 3-minute NAS is on your left. The 30-second NAS is on the right. You could have picked any two that you want. It doesn't matter. Let me get rid of this one. Okay. This is right here. So every time this pink line comes to the top and comes down, this isn't ideal, but I'm sure this is another 30-second, or it was. You'll see every time this comes up, pay attention to this. Everyone out there, pay attention to what I'm teaching you. Listen to what I'm saying. When this comes up, that means it's a retracement. Our rules state anything to the left of our lines, we're looking for a sell stop. You're looking for this to come back up. You can see the pink come back up, and come back up. This isn't ideal. This one's the best probably right here. Watch. And there it is. Every time this comes back up, it forms a sell stop, sniper sell stop, and your actual sell stop, which what's his face refers to as perfect, all 3 line Damien. line up, and that's fine. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. Let's go back to here. This will be the first time it forms a sell stop. Take a look. We'll use our little lines. Watch. This is here. Okay. At the same time, this is, whoopsie, this is here. Okay. So let's take a look. Let me undo that one. I'm going to do something else for you guys. Let's go over here. Let's go over here, and let's go inside of here. Every time you're going to see this exact same setup. Every time this pink arches up right here to the top against the flat blue, you're going to see a 30-second sell stop. Every time it's going to make money. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the playback here. And I'm going to do a playback here. We're going to come back to here. Now watch. Every time. So we're going to come here and right here. All right. So now we're going to move it forward. So pay attention. This is going to move over here. So let me grab this, make this probably a little bit smaller so no one gets confused. Hopefully we can see it this way. And this is up here. Okay. Now watch. Stealth, Kevin on the 1 hour buy and Naz down the pink line. You've come down on that 4 hour because blue line on the 1 hour also. I think so, Stealth, but I'll check it again. 5 minute first. Yeah, that's a rarity raider trader. It happens, but no big deal. One or the other doesn't matter. Made my day with the blue line touch. Nice, Stefan. Congratulations, Stefan. Yay. Thank you, Rich, for saying about the 5 minute and Ori for saying about the 5 minute. All right, now let's pay attention. Here we go. Fun times. Now, okay, we have it above our EMA right here. You guys don't have that EMA, so it's actually perfect. This is up high. This is down low. This is all that matters. Let me be clear. Blue line low, pink line high. That's all that matters. Now, let's go with that. So pink line's high. We're here. We come over to here. Let's go right to where we are, right there. So this is exactly where we are now. This is what's called a sell stop. This right here is red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop. Blue line high, pink has crossed it, purple is crossing it here. You know your entry there, but again, I'm not going to bring that up. Just stay with blue line. So blue line high, red, 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 green, red, red. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put in a sell. Boop. This is Naz. We're replaying it live. I'm giving you the reasons why. Blue line low, pink line high. Okay? It's forming our logo. It's to the left of our logo. Okay? You're going to see a sell stop on the 30 seconds. See, this is getting a little more advanced. I try to stick with one chart so I can avoid you guys getting lost, but this is what you do. This is how you do it. The logo came down, came over. It's our red logo. It's going to go down. There it is. This is the first time is the best. Let's go back over here. Watch the purple line. Watch it. Okay. Oh, and then watch your money. Here. Watch this shit right there. Okay, here we go. Watch, see the purple line start to hook, come down. Over here, it's going to be the same thing. It's going to come down. You're going to see this turn to red, and you're going to see the blue come down. Here we go. There's your money. There's your money. Okay, we're going to stop. The purple line came all the way down to the blue, and there it was. Now it peaked down here, but it doesn't matter. Same thing. And that is our first one on our 32nd. Perfect. Now look what it's doing. It's coming back up, forming another 30-second sell stop. It's above my little line right here. Technically, I put my sell stop to be clear. I would put my sell stop right there on that line. But since I don't have the luxury of a replay like that, it's very tricky on replays to catch that. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and call it. I'm going to go ahead and make my sell right here. And now we're going to wait for price action to do its thing. Again, this pink line is going to come back up again. And it doesn't go all the way up, so that's the problem there. And you're already in so much money, it's sickening. And there is this sell stop that we saw, the 30-second. Okay? And then we're going to come back over here. And let's go ahead to this one now. Where are we at? Over here. And now we're in the middle of it. So now we're going to wait until this sell stop comes up. I can't pull it on the replay, sorry. All right, and we're going to go forward. There's your money. There's your money. You can sell it anytime you want. Close one down, blah, blah, blah. Whatever you want to do, let one run. And here we go again. Now the pink line's rising again. Oop, and what do you know? We're at another sell stop again. You can go ahead and take this order. I would, technically, pink line's high. Yeah, I would take this order. Take it right there, and let's see what happens. Yeah, and then it goes down, down, down. Yep, you can just tell where it was. There it goes. Poof, poof, poof. Watch the purple. See, when the purple comes down, or the pink comes down, not purple, sorry. When the pink comes down towards the blue, look at your money as it comes down. Okay, it touches. You go ahead and sell some if you want, or you can keep it open. We'll wait for the blue or the pink to arch up again. I believe it does. Let's see. Oh, that's the end of it. And that's it. All right. There you go. And you don't care about the money. Care about the win rate. And the win rate was 100%. And there it is. So that's how you're supposed to trade off of two charts. Yes, I do a lot of trading here off of one chart. The reason why I do that is because it's pretty tricky to show newbies how to trade off of two charts. So I try to keep it simple and stay on one. Do we have our scanner yet showing? Look, the 5 minutes red and the 3 minute isn't. That's a rarity when you see this, unless it's going back up. This is a rarity right here. So cute. All right. I think Kev made my day. Morning, D-Hoss. What's up, D-Hoss? And the hits just keep coming. Stop and think about how amazing everyone is. Kevin's trading live. Explain 100% good calls, attitude, regret. Thank you, Pete. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Brian. Stealth. Kev, on the 1 hour buy on NAS, the pink line have to come down on the 4 hour because the blue line on the 4 hour is low. Well, let's look. We're going to go, let me go to 1 hour here and 4 hour here. And let's see what he's talking about. All right. So he's talking about 1 hour, 4 hours. No. See, what you're missing here is this. 1 hour NAS on the left, 4 hour NAS on the right. First of all, we don't really use the 4 hour, even though I'm going to have it coded, I think, into those signals. But right now, we're just using the daily. So right now, this is a daily 1 hour buy. But yes, it's still a 4 hour. So this, technically, if you really want to get going, this isn't a 1 hour anything. It is a 1 hour buy according to the new signal rules. It's a 4 hour buy. You can clearly see it's 4 hour. Okay. So if we go to the 7 hour, it was a 7 hour buy. You have to close the gap here. 12 hour, nope, fill in the gap. Daily, yep. But see, the daily isn't low enough. It's, well, I shouldn't say that. When you're dealing with a daily time frame, sometimes it doesn't go all the way down. But quite frankly, I would like this to go lower. I would like NAS and SPX both to go lower on the daily. I don't mind US 30 being down here. I like this better. US 30's blue line is down low, which means now we have to go look at the weekly to see what it's doing, and this is perfection. Weekly, daily, buy, stop, US 30. I just love it. Whether it keeps going down, I lose all the money I don't have in there, that's fine. But I'm telling you what it is. This is perfection right here. Every time you can see a 15-second through daily buy stop on US 30, I would play that until this pink line comes up and touches the blue, until this gap is filled. Just amazing. Love this call. Whether it takes a day or 2 or 3 or 10, I love the call. So we called out gold. We made a shit ton of money on US 30 NAS and SPX. I don't think I ever called oil yet. I'm going to go ahead and call oil now. It's been the slowest call. I can usually make these call outs in 5 minutes. Everyone gets upset with me because I go too fast. But I don't give a fuck. All right, here we go. Let's go to oil. We're going to look at oil 1 hour. And the 1 hour is stating nothing. It's a buy. It can't be a sell against that. So it's going to be a 1 hour, 4 hour buy. It is. It's a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Oh, yeah, I already called it. Look. 4 hour buy stop on 624. This is the time period I told you guys to get in on oil. Look, this is the 1 hour buy stop I told you to get on oil. I'm sticking with that. Look at that shit. Look at those great fucking calls. Thank you, God. This is the entry one right here of whatever the fuck this is, 80. And we got up recently to 81, so $1 a barrel. From here, yeah, about $4 a barrel. Perfect. First time, best time. If you have the signal service, you can do market orders on this. Let's see if the signal service called it. This would be I think a daily because it doesn't do anything. Try this one. Nope. Then it's going to be the hourly low time. There it is. Lower time frame. Buy, 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 buy. Can't play a sell. Surprised this called this. This must have been some funky thing going on the daily. Hold on. Yeah, this is the last one. That's why I did that. So we should go to the time period. It should be on. There you go. We don't have 4 hours coded. We just have the 1 hours overriding it right now. Look at it. It's correct. There it is. Oil. I would play any. Oh, this is the fourth time. Let me see something here. Ooh, the daily came up to the blue too. All right, fuck it. On oil. Yes, there's going to be some downs. I don't give a fuck. I'm just telling you what I would do. Play any buy stop on oil until this weekly purple line comes back up to the top. Any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, all the routine. You guys know the time periods until the purple line comes to the pink line comes to the top. Not the purple, sorry. Pink, pink, pink. What's his face going to have a heart attack? I keep saying that. All right, that's oil. EUR/USD. It's going to hook and come down again. It's too high. It's no good on weekly. Daily, no good on daily. Sell stop on 12 hour. Sell stop on 7 hour. 4 hours already complete. I don't know why. I just haven't been liking EUR/USD lately. I just haven't. Let's see if we can get some kind of bullshit call for you guys. A nice and easy one here. Nope. 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 No, there's nothing. I'm not calling EUR/USD. There's nothing to call. Let me see if I can do oil small time for you guys. Yes. 30. Yes. Yes. Play any. It's forming a 5-minute buy. If you can, play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute sell stop to the 5-minute blue line. But I don't. It might hit it. That's fine. It's going to get close. I would rather you play any of the buy stops like I told you on the weekly for oil. GBP, JPY, 1 hour. Let's see if we can do the second thing first. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. Ricochet back down, touched it. Fuck. Play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute sell stop to the 1 minute blue line of GBP, JPY. Love it. You never usually get a sell on this sucker. I take it. But at the same time, it's forming, and I would play, better play, 1 hour, anything to do with a 15-second on up to 1 hour buy stop on GBP, JPY. Like I told you guys back here on this 12-hour, GBP, JPY, you want me to go through this thing again? You guys want me to really play back 6,000 pips? This is a 12-hour buy right here. Look at how many pips you'd be up. GBP, JPY has outperformed everything on earth the last 4 years, period. Four pips, but it can't be 4 pips. This is where me and Jan have to have a powwow because there's no way in fucking hell that is 4 pips. 410 pips, yes. This is not 4 pips. Fucking bullshit if this is 4. See, this is what they're doing. They're doing the actual thing. That's bullshit. This is so much. Well, let me show you how much money it is. Let me show you. I'm going to do it. You guys, damn it, he's going to do the damn playback again. on fucking GBB JPY. Why the fuck does he like it so much? Because look, damn, look at this shit. Take these trades and shove it down all the haters' throat. Look, come to here. I think it actually pulls these up too. Every time it comes up, you do your first time as a market order. This is weekly. This is monthly, actually. These are weekly, monthly buy stops. We'll see when they pop up what it looks like. If one pops up, I'll take the trade. Do that, do that, do that. This will turn to green. This will pop up with a line. I'll take a buy. This is back in. Buy. This is back in 2021. I think it was 2020 the first time. And just watch what happens to your money over here. Watch this fucking shit on your money. Take this money and shove it all up your head. So watch. Another line will pop up. Another green thing will come. These are signals automatically generated by my signal service. Take that money and shove it. Shove it all over you. Oh, come on. Still too slow. We're going to go 10 times. Oop, another one. This one you do a market order on. Watch how many fucking pips this is. Watch what this does over a 4-year period of time and tell me, oh, Bitcoin's better. No, it's not. XRP, nope. Amazon, nope. This shit is incredible. Another one. This is the actual first one we could take if you really wanted to do a market order. You can see both these are green, green, green. They match. Market execution orders are permitted when those do match for the first time. Watch when pink is going to hook, come down, and then come back up again. Holy shit. Is that another one? Oh shit, that's another one. Fuck, missed it. Here is your money. It's going to come all over you. Another one. Look at this shit. Just exceptional. And you'll notice, more importantly, there isn't one wrong call in any of these. They're all correct. Correct. Wait for these to turn again. And we're looking at GBB JPY. Fucking incredible. Every one of the blue lines you see is a signal call out. I will put my daily one, week one daily one, or week one DST up against any trader in the world. Just call in, have some fun. Let's make a joke about it. We'll make the loser do 50 push-ups. And there you go. Don't worry about the amount of money that was won. Worry about that win rate. This is a 4-year trade win rate. Oh, but you don't know. You don't. Yep. The signal service knows. So at any rate, that's why I call GBB JPY a buy. Any chance you get, just keep fucking taking a buy. There's no other. Why do anything else? It's the easiest thing on earth. There you go. Ethereum. Let's see. Weekly. Yep. Boom. Oh, this Ethereum, Larry. I think Ethereum's getting ready to. Wow. Let me see the daily. I think it's ready to pop. It may dip a little lower based off here. It just started with this buy stop on the daily. Ethereum, 625. Yeah, buy stop. Yeah, I agree with this. I think Ethereum's going to pop. Doesn't mean it's not going to go down. Let me go to the 15-second level and see. Lordy. Already went down. 1 minute. Let's see. 3 minute. 3 minute. Yep. 5 minute. 10 minute. Damn, Ethereum. Let's go. They got to come up with some kind of bullshit news to raise this shit up. 1 hour. Oh, that's getting better. 2 hour. Okay. Ethereum, after I just said it's going to pop. Ricochet. Play any 15-second through 1 hour sell stop to the 2 hour blue line. Ethereum. Ricochet sell. Love this trade. Love the sell. But Kev, you just said it's going to be a buy. Well, fuck it. I love the sell on Ethereum. Now, after that. Yes, you're going to love me. Daily buy. Yep. Daily buy. Daily, weekly buy Ethereum. Would I be upset if Ethereum came all the way, Larry would, all the way down to this? No, he's smart enough to play the downs. To this yellow line? Nope, I would not. If it keeps moving down there, I will move my buy line down because that's rule number 7. You have to follow it. I would love for it to repeat right here. Love for this to come down here. Do I think it's going to go that low? I wish it would, but no, I just don't think it's going to get that low. I don't think it's going to go between here. It might touch the yellow line. I just don't see it going down to the red. So I stick with it. 2 hour sell to the blue line. If you don't want to do the 2 hour, do the daily buy. Ethereum. Bitcoin's the same way. My view on Bitcoin is I called it out 200 different times for you, over 200 different times for you. 26,500, March the 8th, 2023 to buy it at 26,500. I'm not going to help you out after this. XRP, I don't give two fucks. I'm going to go ahead and move my XRP also down. We're going to move this up to here. Let me see if I can see it. Is this monthly? Oh, fuck no. We're going down. Here, we're going to make this all the way down here. I don't give two fucks. I don't care if XRP goes to 10 cents, 5 cents. Buy stop. Monthly XRP. I own it at 31 cents. I don't give a fuck whatever it does after that. Buy stop. XRP. I don't give two fucks if it goes down to the blue moon. Buy stop. XRP. I don't care if it's fucking going down to its 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute line. I don't care. XRP. Monthly buy stop. XRP. Monthly buy stop. I can give two fucks less if it goes down to 10 cents, 5 cents. I am not a financial advisor. Demo money only. Monthly buy stop XRP. Weekly, monthly buy stop. I don't give two fucks. I don't give two fucks if it goes down to 2 cents. I don't give two fucks. I don't care if my signal system's calling out for a sell. Perfectly fine. You would have made money with it. Buy stop, monthly, weekly XRP. And no, I'm not getting paid to say that. I don't get paid from anybody. That's another thing, by the way. I've never taken nor will ever take. Now, if someone gives me $1 million to promote something, I'll promote it. Other than that, I will never take anything. Precious. Sponsorships. None of my call outs are sponsorship call outs. None of them. Good morning. I never put that in my stuff, but no, I don't take sponsorships. Just don't do it. All right, I'm going to take a breather. I'm going to go get some water and some Celtic sea salt. All right, gold selling the money and running. Nice, Jason. Getting close to hitting their 10-minute. Nice, Jackson. For our NAS sub low, can you please review how you're calling the buy? Sorry. For our NAS Sniper Blue, Kelly McMahon says. Yes, I will when I get back. I'm waiting on that buy, says Larry. All right, Larry. All right, I'm going to go get, I'm going to break my dry fast and go get a little bit of clearly filtered water, it's called. Gonna get some water. Gonna walk all over.
boys. The boys. All right, peeps. I'm back. Yay. What am I looking at? You drink? No, I don't drink distilled water. I drink. You can't drink distilled water. It doesn't have any minerals in it. I drink what's called clearly filtered. It's the best water available ever out of anything, and I add some Baja sea salt, some Baja salt, some Celtic sea salt, and some real sea salt from Redmond. About a half teaspoon per mason jar full. Woo. When you haven't had anything to drink or eat for 2 days, all of a sudden water is the feast. No, it's not, Jan. Not at all. 100% not correct. You just need stone. Salt? I don't know what SALT is. I'm sorry. You mean salt? You just need some salt. I think she meant stone sand. Salt. That's funny. Yes. You need to, you just definitely don't drink chloride in your water like in America. Just definitely don't do that. This is called clearly filtered. They're fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. What's up, Ryan? Do I fast? Yeah, I'm going to be, the longest fast I ever did was like 23 days water fast. But I'll fast 4 days this week. It'll be Monday. So Monday, Tuesday was the 2 days. No, it was Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday. I dry fast until today. Then I'm going to water fast Thursday and Friday. And then, yeah, then I'll, when I get back from St. John to St. Thomas, I'm probably going to go on like I don't know, anywhere from a 10-day to probably about a 20-day water fast again. I love fasting. Nice, Anthony Villabosa. Naz hit its 10-minute blue line, made $1,260 in profit. If you don't have the system, better get it. This is like, I agree with you, Tony. Congratulations, Tony. Congratulations. Standing ovation for Tony. Tony. Yay. There you go. See, Tony keeps us on track. I get off track. I'm talking about weightlifting, fasting, Wim Hof. All right, let's see. I'm saying Naz 10-minute. There you go. Perfect. Come on now. This motherfucker's got to be red. There you are. See, these were all green this morning. Red, and 2 of these were red. That's why I called out the sell stop for you guys. And that's why you guys are all reaping the money now. There you go. Now, after this, it can keep going down. It can keep going down where these all change. That's fucking great. But I'm still sticking by the buy stops longer term. That's my idea. That. How do you guys think the live is going? Is it going well? Live is going great. Yeah, y'all being nice. You're all asking questions. As a matter of fact, I got to answer a question right now. Oh, I answered the email question. By the way, I actually remembered. I usually forget.
Bree has to remind me. I'm gonna drink some water, and usually I let the water sit. It's about a half teaspoon per mason jar of the different salts I put in there. Let it sit, soak up, absorb. Then I usually I did a couple of turns of the actual Celtic salt into my mouth. I put it directly underneath my tongue. If you want your water to absorb, you got to do that. Hell yeah, says Bob. Thanks, Bob. Thanks, Garth. Trader talk. Yeah. Thanks, Pete. In fact, I got to call Pete after this. And then I already called my Uncle Mark last night. Uncle Mike came over. We watched the movie. I don't know if you guys ever saw The Great Wall, but it was actually really good. But I'm into alien shit and stuff like that. So was Mike. Then I got to call Keith. Keith, the man, the myth, the legend. And we got to get a couple things finalized for the Freedom Indicator. Then we got to get going back on the Holy Grail Trade Indicator. Thank you, Leon. I agree. Do I tell what is that, Jackson? Kev, do you mind taking a look at a monthly, weekly sell that's happening on wheat? Just curious what your thoughts are on that exit point. Sure, absolutely. Let me go ahead and help out. I think somebody asked, was it Casey? Kelly McMahon, 4-hour NAS sniper blue low. Can you explain how you are calling the buy? Thank you, Kelly. No silly questions. There is. I usually get pissy if I'm pissy mood, but how am I calling a buy? Well, this is how. If you're on the 4-hour, the only thing that you can possibly see, Kelly, that tells you to follow your rules, price starts below right here. Oops, I don't like the small line. Price starts below right here, comes up, retraces. So you tell me how this could be a sell. It can go a short-term sell. That's how it forms the buy stops. But how can this be a 4-hour long-term sell, Kelly? Does anyone out there can explain to me how this could be a 4-hour long-term sell when it's literally to the upper left? Follow your rules. This is a green, 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 red, green, green buy stop. So with this knowledge, this may go down. That's what you're seeing. It's going down, but it's only going to go down a little bit. It's forming this go down right here. What you're seeing on the sniper is just the forming this. That's all this is. It's forming the buy stop. So all we can possibly call if we're looking at the 4-hour is a buy. If you go to your rules, let me be specific here. If you go to the rules and it says, if for a buy, look for price to be the left and top. For a buy, price is to the left and the top. There's no other thing it can form. Our logo right here. It's not a silly question, but you need to start taking responsibility for looking at your rules. The rules state to the left. The rules state our price starts under, told to come down with the bullshit detector. It's forming the only possibility. So you tell me how you could possibly see a sell here. You say, oh, well, it's a fill in the gap. No, it's not. This is the possibility, but this is only short term. This is why the last time it happened, it didn't really come down. It came down a little. That's why your 1 minute and 5 minutes and 3 minutes and 10 minutes are happening right now. But NAS is the only possibility that we can call with our system as a buy. So if we take this blue line and we go up to the daily, you're going to see how this is coming down. So it's going to be more of a 12-hour. See right there. There's your 12-hour. So technically it's a 12-hour buy. So let's go back to that 4-hour. Please, someone explain to me how it could be our logo's green, 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 red, green, green. The only thing it can be is a buy, Kelly. There's no way this is a sell. Zero. Oh, but you said this overrides. For short term on this particular sell, yes. That's why you're seeing these 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute. They're forming this 4-hour buy, which is probably even a 7-hour buy, to be quite frank about it. It is. So 4-hour, 7-hour buy. That's what's happening. Even if this goes straight down, say this is the end of the world, end of the stock market, and this goes down 3,000 pips. I don't give a fuck. There's no way I can call that on the 4-hour. We'll miss the whole thing other than we're in the 15-second, 30 seconds, so I guess we won't miss it. Because we're see, does that not make sense to you people? Let me ask. Doesn't that make sense to all of you? Doesn't that make sense to all of you? SPX and NAS have to drop down more before taking. I like the US 30 better. Nice Martar, $500. Yay. By the way, thank you, Martar. I agree with everything Martar just said. Congratulations. Standing O for Martar. See, is Casey still here? I'm sorry. It took me a while to get to your answer. Wasn't it Kelly? Kelly McMahon. Did that make sense to you, Kelly? And I will look at wheat for you, Jackson. But I'm glad it's yes, but thank you for asking on the live. Gotcha. Sniper low, creating better buy stop. Yeah, yes. This sniper blue line right here, let me show you. Thank you, Kelly. This sniper blue line is the best one. Because now this 4 hour, you see it right here. It just happened right here. The first time's the best time. Blah, 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 blah. Actually, this is the first time it happened here. This is the second time it happened here. See week 2. You see the weekly 2. I knew it. Daily 1. And then again here, this will be the third time. It's still a very legit trade. You can see my buy lines are in. We're in the money anyways. So that's it. So this is why this is it. So this blue being down is this pink coming down, or in this case, the 12 hour. This is a 12 hour buy right here. See it? This blue. Let me show you on a watch. Do I have time to do this? Oh shit, it's getting close to time. Watch. We'll put the 4 hour over here. We'll put the 12 hour over here. And just look at the correlation right here. This blue line is this pink line. This blue line is this pink line. Is that anyone getting an aha moment right here? It's usually the daily that this occurs on, but there it is. You see it? The blue line right here on the 4 line is the pink line. And that's always the case, whether you're dealing with 15-second, 1 minute, 15-minute. Yep. Gold call and the signal service was amazing. Get the system, trust it. Nice, Jason. Congratulations, Jason. I'd say get the system too. Yes, I took it also, says Bob. Nice, Bob Uten. Bob, Jack, is that a new comment? I'm not sure. So if you guys can see what you're seeing and look at it, you should have both charts open. The only possibility I can possibly call on this higher time frame one is a buy right here and right here. That's it. You can't, if you're up and to the left, you can't call a sell. You can't. It doesn't mean it can't go down. It means on the higher time frames, these have to be buy stops. Please say this is getting through to you guys. Please say this is getting through to you guys. So if we go down to the microscopic level, well, the 10-minute level, watch what it looks like. You're going to see cells down to their blue lines forming our buy stops. Look, this is your sell to the blue line that I called out at the beginning of the trade, 10-minute, 5-minute, 3-minute, whatever the fuck it was. But it's only forming our buy stop on the higher time frames. Please say this is getting through to you guys. There's 64 of you watching. You're welcome, Kelly. That's a great question. Always ask your questions. Always try to qualify your questions with some kind of knowledge, though, like, oh, I see this, but is it that kind of thing? So I have some idea that you know what you're talking about. I mean, yeah, because this is what kills me. We have people that have been with my system that say, why did gold do this when it has to do that? Why didn't daily gold go up? What do you mean, why didn't daily gold go up? It's going to, but it has to complete the down first. Okay. All right. Exactly, Kevin. Sell the shorter time frames down to the longer time frame and then buy. Correct, Tony. Anthony Villaboza. Anthony, Tony. Holy crap. Correct. I can't thank you enough for having the live trading train. You're welcome, DPFX. I mean, yes, Annie Apple. Isn't it great? Do I have time to do a playback? I want to do one more playback before we go live. Oh, let me go to wheat. I don't know how to play wheat. What do I look up for wheat? Wheat. Someone asked for wheat. I think that was Ore. What is wheat? Can I do wheat on Pepperstone? Who was that? Ore? Jason? No. Kelly? No. Who the heck was it? I could have swore it was Ore. Wheat. Jackson Andre. What symbol do I use for wheat? Oh, Pepperstone. Thank you, sir. All right, here we go. You wanted me to look at or ZW1. Well, I took this one, whatever the fuck this is. All right, let's take a look at wheat. He wanted me, I think, to look at the higher time frame. Let me go to weekly. Oh, shoot, fire. We have 7 minutes to market open, 7 minutes to market open, 7 minutes to market open. Weekly. Let me go to daily here. Okay. Well, this is a 100% weekly sell stop on wheat. How low do I think this is going to go, he asked. Pretty damn low. Let me see the monthly. Hold on. I'm just going to open up one chart so we can get this clear. We're looking at wheat. Look, they don't even give me enough history. Little fuckers. Wheat. Monthly. Fill in the gap. I can't see. Yeah, I think it's going to go lower. I would close one position down and hold the other, but this is, yeah, I would think this is going to go a good bit lower. Yeah, I would play minimum, Jackson. I would play till this pink line comes down here. I'd play any wheat. I don't even know what the fuck this is. I know what it is. It's a future. It's a thing, blah, blah, blah. I get it. 15 second through daily sell stops. It's already a little late to get in. I'm glad you're in. I would hold it until this pink line gets here on the weekly. Daily's already hit. This is an interesting little play. So you don't give me enough history to see this, fuckers. First time was a buy here. Second buy. Third daily. It's going to arch up a little bit first. You're going to see a pull up on this. It's going to come back up a little bit on wheat. But it's going to ultimately, I'd play any sell I can until this weekly comes down to this level right here. You're welcome, Jackson. Hope that helps you. Oh, ZW1 gives a lot of history. Oh, okay. Let me look at ZW1 then. Because, yeah, it's very hard. What? ZW1 exclamation point? Wheat futures. Oh, how cute. Oh, yeah, that's better. Oh, fuck yeah. I got my blue line. Oh, look at that perfect sell. We were just showing a 30-second NAS. This fucking thing is the exact same thing. Oh, I'm going to do a playback. Do I have time to do a playback? Oh, fuck. It's almost market open. All right. This is the exact same thing. Sell stop weekly. Look at your yellow. It's calling it 4 hours. Sell stop down to the blue line. Perfection. Ricochet came down once. Ricochet came down. This is your ricochet back down to the weekly. That's already hit the blue line, by the way. Hold on. Do we have a 3-week blue line? Oh, no. Monthly, I doubt. Okay, it took away my blue line, so I don't have any blue. It doesn't have enough history to show my blue lines. Be very, very, very careful. It's going to go past this, but I would close one of your orders down and leave 1 or 2 open. That's how I'd look at that. You could have got in up here, too. Beautiful get in, though. Beautiful. Yeah. I would stay in this one until this 3-week fill in the gap comes down, until this red crosses this yellow, until this purple comes down to this blue. I would look for any sell stops on that wheat futures until that is. Okay, let's get back to it. Glad I can help. Hope I did. All right, let's go. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? 10-minute nothing. Let's go to 15-second. All right. All right, peeps. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Nothing. SPX. All right. Do not play market order. If you're in, do not play market open. Please do not. Yep, it was. How did you know? Shit, 3 minutes to market open. Fuck. Ah! Ah! Hold on. He posted a picture with other indicators on it, dumbass. Then he posted it with one a chart only, instead of two. He didn't post the time. He didn't post what the symbol was. He didn't post any of the rules he tried to follow. He was just as lazy as fuck. They didn't do anything correct, so I just slam them. Okay. Market open, market open, market open. Don't trade it. Be ready to move fast and furiously. Sell stop, SPX. Do I really want to do that, though? I think we're going to see a buy. All right, let me see US 30. All right, US 30, sell stop, 15-second. US 30, sell stop, 15-second. I think NAS is going to go a buy. Either NAS or SPX is going to arch up. Can we get an arch up? I think NAS is going to arch up. I think US 30 is going to come down. Woo! Let's have some fun. If you don't want to play these smaller time frames, then don't. I hope. No, I'm not out this live yet. Then don't. Only play the hourly. Hourly buy, all three indices. Hourly 4-hour buys, all three indices. Only buy, if you want to do those, buy stop NAS, buy stop SPX, buy stop US 30, 4-hour. 4-hour buy NAS, 4-hour buy SPX, 4-hour buy US 30. If you don't want to do the buys, sell stop 15-second US 30. It's already made you money since I said that. Sell stop. It's got to reload after this. Do not play market open. Do not play market open. If you're going to, demo trade only. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Market open in 25 seconds. Let this arch up, hook back down. We'll play it live. Buy stop to the 15-second NAS. Sell stop US 30. Let it arch up and come back down. Sell stop here. Hold on a second. I already have those open. Hold on a second. Whoa. Market open. Market open. Let's go. There you go. Sell stop US 30. Buy stop in the money on NAS. Sell stop US 30. That's the only one I really like. It's not coming down. It's not going to come down. Fuck. Fine. Be ready for the buy later on. Sell stop. I don't give a fuck. Wait right here. NAS. Buy. Buy on the NAS. Take it. Take it. You should already be in the trade. You should be in here and back up. I'm out that trade. You don't have to stay in it. Good. Sell. Take this sell if it goes underneath over here on US. Why is everything fucking moving so fucking slow? Sell in the money on US 30. Sells in the money on US. You're in the money on US 30. Woo! That's how you play the open right there, peeps. There it is. Told you the only thing I wanted to do was that one. Take your money out and run. My little trade was right there. There's my trade. Look at it go. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. Take that money and run, honey. Take that money and run. Woo! Someone woke me up. Must be. Look at that. Sell US 30. Sell fucking US 30. Woo! Woo! Take that money and run, honey. Take that money and run. Take that money and I'm going to close it. Take that money and run. I'm going to take my money out of there. I'm good.
It's a short-term little trade. Nice little trade. Tiny little. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. US 30s in the money. US 30s in the money. US 30s in the money. Traded with you live just a little bit. It's a tiny little account. I still have a long-term SPX buy, a long-term NAS buy, and a odd USD buy. I'm just finding out about. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. What did NAS do? Holy shit. Hold on. What did little NAS do? Buy. There. You're in the money on your NAS. You're in the money on your US 30. Are you? Oh, SPX is fucking around. Look at NAS. Told you NAS to the blue line 15 second. Told you US 30 sell. Told you NAS buy. Told you US 30 sell. Told you NAS buy. Now, how did I do that? Well, I've been trading for 10 years, whatever fucking years I've been on. And that's how you do it. Take your money out, close down the NAS trade. Boom, take your money out. If you're not happy with a motherfucking drop where I told you to get in here on the red line and it went down 100 fucking pips, you're a greedy pig and you deserve to lose. That's how you play the open. That's how. Now, how did I know US 30 up and NAS up and US 30 down? Again, the signals, I can't give you everything. There's only so much I can teach you guys. It's as simple as that. That's all I can tell you. Woo! Buy the system, make money. Buy the system, make money. Buy the system, make money. Buy the system, make. Who the hell made money? Do I see thank you gods out there? We just made 100 pips on US 30. You probably made 30 pips on NAS, demo money only, and we don't have one thank you god out there. I'm leaving in 10 seconds. If I don't get some thank you gods out there, I'm out the fucking door. And I can stay all morning long, by the way. I'm going to give you guys some time on TikTok since there's a delay. But there better be some thank you gods out there on YouTube and TikTok. Fuck this shit. We just didn't make 100 pips fucking live. 100 pips fucking live. And we can't give a thank you God? Get the fuck out of here. Oh, Christians don't cuss. You shouldn't be. Oh, fuck out of here. Get the fuck. Buy, stop, NAS to the 15-second blue line. Let this come down. Come down first. Let this come down first. Let it come over, and then we're going to call it again. Jeez, oh, pizza. 70 of you. There's 100 people watching, and there's 2 people saying thank you. Get out of here. Good morning, Azar. What's up, Kobe? Oh, Kobe made $1,000. BCM, nice. That's more like it. I mean, ridiculous. We're all here kicking ass, making money out of our yin-yangs, and we can't give a little praise? Get out. No. Buy, stop NAS. I think you're going to see a sell stop again on US 30. Let's see. Oh, no, we're not. Be careful with this US 30. Be careful. Are you wait a second. You're going to tell me US 30 is going to beat it to the 15-second blue line, the NAS? Are you kidding me? Oh, maybe we'll get SPX there. No. US 30. No way. Well, okay. Let me see. Sell stop. 15-second. Yeah. It already filled the gap, though, on the 3-minute. Yeah, I'm not worried. I'm done. I'm done making the calls. You guys trade any which way you want. I'm good. I would like to see these play out. There it is. Buy, stop, NAS. Buy, stop, NAS. 1 minute. Let's see if we can get this pink line up. All right. Anybody have any questions? You're in money on the NAS buy. You can take that money and run if you'd like. You can take the money and run on NAS buy. Sell. I don't like this sell, but sell US 30. Sell US 30. Sell US 30. Nas buys in the money. Look at this fucking trade. Happened live in front of you. I told you the pink line would go down. That purple line's on my mind. Look at the cross right here, by the way. Boom, up she goes. You're in the money. Buy, stop, Nas in the money again. Called out live. Traded with you live. I get sick of these little fucks that are newbies here. Oh, he doesn't trade them. I'm fucking trading 8 different accounts. One of them right here in front of you. Calling out the lies for you. Answering questions for you. Drawing out shit. Typing out shit. And then you guys want me to fucking trade every damn thing live. Get the fuck out of here. Look at the money you made. If you stay in this trade any longer, this is your NAS buy. It made you 13 pips, 10 pips. Oh, it's going down. I don't give a fuck. If you didn't get out after 10 pips, you're a greedy ass bastard. You deserve to lose. Take your money and run. Take the money and get out. Jiminy Christmas. Do I need to call any other trade? I knew it. I just knew this US 30 is what it's fucking doing right here. Look, see that little hook right there? I really wish if it can give me enough. I just want to see if this US 30 will pop down for us. I really want to see if we can get some good money. I want to see it break right here. If we can get that break right there, I'll go ahead and leave. There's your NAS money again. Sorry, I didn't really hone in on SPX. Don't really care. Wouldn't that be neat if SPX gets it to the... Holy shit. We got a ways to go. I don't think SPX is winning that battle. There we go. Let me just wait right here just for a split second. All right. Does anybody have any questions before I go? Oh, my God. US 3 and money. Yes, Larry. Congratulations. Kobe. Thank you, God. $500 more. Kobe, you own the system, Kobe? I hope you do. Thank you, God. $1,000 Kobe got. Nice, Kobe. What's up, Jesus? I really wish we could just get a little more of a push down right here on US 30 before I leave. Questions on TikTok, questions on YouTube. Thousands of dollars being made by everybody. Making my call out lives. Tell me that thing of US 30 wasn't beautiful, this sell right here. Gorgeous. Tell me the NAS buy wasn't equally as gorgeous. And again, it did it. And again, it's going to do it, by the way. Come on. Come to daddy. Come on. Come there. In the money on the US 30 sell. In the money on the US 30 sell. Holy fucking. This is like magic. This is like taking candy from a baby from here to here. You would have made 37 pips. Again, if that's not enough money for you, I don't know what to tell you, you're a greedy pig. There's your money again on US 30. You're in the money again on the NAS buy. Look at it. As called out live, go to thesafetytrade.com. Go to thesafetytrade.com right there and buy the damn system. Buy the system. Buy. Look at these calls. Called out live. There's your little buy on NAS again. Look at your little sell. It's only 30, 40 pips. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Here's your sell stop. There it is. Just waiting for that. Beautiful. That's enough. Close down your trade. Close down your trade twice, 3 times. I called it here, here, and here. Close down your trade on NAS. There's no need to stay in anything. We're playing the 15-second candles in case you didn't know what I'm doing here. Is this insane? Is this insane? Whoever thought I'd be trading 15-second candles? Somebody is nuts. That would be me. That would be me. Who the hell trades 15-second candles? Me. Who the fuck sells 15-second candles? Me. Who sells? Yep, me. Look at that US 30. We did it twice with US 30. That's fucking amazing. 100 pips the first time, 30, 40 pips the second time. Woo! I agree with Bob. Buy the damn system. All right, awesome, Kev. Thanks. Kobe made money. All right, TikTokers out here. Got to go. Love to stay, but I got other things to do in this life. God bless you all. God bless everybody on TikTok. Have fun with your day. I'll see you later today, Lord willing. All right, YouTubers, any questions before I go on YouTube? Any questions before I go? Oh, yeah. Now I'm fired up. I have all kinds of energy. I drink water with salt.
Peter P, awesome day. Yes, Pete. Lord willing, I'm going to be calling you very soon. I'm going to try to talk to Keith. If he's busy or can't talk, I'm going to call you. I'll message you. Okay, Pete? You too. Y'all have a blessed day, a great day. Thank you, Greg, Shrub, Kim the Candle Envy Lady, Martar, Jan, Peter, Greg, Jackson. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day. Yay. 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 I'm going to leave you with the idea. Stay in these cells if you'd like. I'm going to leave you with the idea of those 4 hours buys. That's what I'm going to leave you with the idea. Okay? Stay in the cells for as long as you can, and then look for those 4 hour buys. All right. Gotta go, peeps. Gotta go.